Market looks like it's having a nice little bounce this morning. So the SPY's up about 1%. We got AMC up 2.22%. Not bad. GME's up 1.43. I haven't seen any real crazy news come through. So, we're going to have to wait and see what's going to happen today. But it is Friday. It's going to be a fun day. Let's do a little bit of a quick Ortex update as everybody's filtering in. All right, let's get it up over here. So, yesterday when I was recording the video, Ortex was just glitching out, and then everything here, this whole like 6-part box right here, was just all blank. It was like NA, nothing. And I was like, that's weird. So, but the cost of borrow did go up a little bit yesterday. So now we've got apparently 127 million shares on loan. Now we have 100% utilization, 106 million shares estimated to be sold short. Utilization is just BS again, I think. 1.06% average cost to borrow. Again, I mean, the high is 1.9, but with 183,000 shares and a low cost to borrow of 1.04%, most of those shares are going out at 1.04. And then we've got 20.59% estimated short interest. So let's see here, everybody. How you guys doing? Good thing SCV didn't listen to Squirrel. Oh, on the SPY coming down? I mean, I still could. It's just gapping up. Or not. It's not even like a gap. I mean, it's still got that big gap to fill below. Somebody was talking about, I think people were saying they had like SPY 434s for this week. Like, I don't know. I have that free Micron put. I still have the Quad U over here. It's coming back to life over here. I ditched the Oxy. Let's see what oil's doing this morning. Oil could be a play. Yeah, Oxy down, but not enough to make that strangle do anything fun. Did you see AMC after hour candles? What happened? I mean, you can look at it right here. It's just, are you talking about like the barcoding? Yeah, it's just barcoding in after hours. And then right as 4 a.m. hits, or what is it, 6:30? Boom. What's up, Rance? How you doing? You have the SPY 435s? Well, you're going to need a big rip. All right, so on the SPY today, here's kind of what we're looking at. This box, actually, I'll extend it after I talk about this. So this box has been pretty good about where the SPY likes to come back to and where it likes to flicker around. So what we're probably going to see, this is just a SPY estimate. Remember, when I talk about the SPY like this and give you these estimates, it's like 50-50. Sometimes we see exactly what I say play out. Sometimes it does what it wants to do. Today, though, with it being up 1% in the pre-market over here, I mean, ahead of Powell, I would think people would be selling a little bit, waiting for what Powell's going to say next week, if he's actually going to do a 25 basis point rate hike, which, I mean, he's probably going to, but we're probably going to see at market open, depending on where we end up in pre-market, we're going to see it come up, test the upper end of this box right around 434. Maybe. We're right in the middle of it right now, so it'd be a bigger move to get up there, but we could easily do it. Test, reject, and it could come all the way back down, or it's going to hover up here at this box and then come right back up, maybe break out of it. It's equally as possible that it wants to test this lower end too at 425. So careful with that. It is a 0 data expiration date across the board. So with all of the 1348 crosses, it's going to be a little bit volatile. So, I mean, if you don't want your stops hit, you can even get more time. You don't have to play the 0 day, or you can go at the money or in the money with your contracts. Let's see. Watch the last premium live stream this morning. Good stuff in there. Luigi, I appreciate that, buddy. I agree. Could come down. Fake futures still would make me nervous. Yeah. It's going to be a great day. 1348 says Brian. There we go, man. Yeah, guys, as you're filtering into, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot, getting some more people in here. We got a while until market open. We got GME up 1.71%. We got Amy up 2.15. We got Oxy over here. Let's check like Micron. I do have that free Micron put. Micron's up a little bit in the pre-market over here. Let's see what happens with the market today. I think it could easily still sell off, or it could run up. I mean, we like to trade a lot of Micron. It's not like an easy stock to trade, but like we pretty much know where it's going to go. It likes to pick a direction and then follow it. So I like that. Lockheed. This could be Lockheed's coming up. That's interesting. So what else have we been playing? DraftKings, Uber, all that type of stuff. Apple, stuff like that. So DraftKings is up. I've been listening so long that I can hear when you look at your phone. Need a good phone look today? Okay. The death cross? I don't know. I don't have those moving averages on my charts. If it's coming on the daily, the death cross, I mean, it's already made a pretty big move down. Could it continue to move down more? Yeah, it could. But again, if it does that death cross, you're going to see a lot of fear mongering. Everybody's going to be like, oh my God, it's about to crash. Like, could it? Yeah. But like, there's no real need to like absolutely lose your mind over it. So Let me extend this box a little bit over here because I need to do that for today. Ah, that's not extending it. There it is. Little box extendo right there. Let's see what we're gonna get over here today, folks. Death Cross often delayed. That's what I thought too. GameStop earnings should be next week. I wouldn't hype it up too much. Typically, people end up being disappointed by GameStop's earnings report just because they don't do it in the same way as AMC does or any of these other companies. They kind of just like give you the information and they're like, all right, cool, goodbye. Let's see. Hold on. I got a lot of bottles over here. Can't really see the chat. Quad, you gonna rock it today? I don't know. It's down a little in the pre-market. We got to see if there's gonna be uranium sanction news. That's kind of what I'm playing it for next week. I think it could have a good time. I mean, it was up a lot yesterday. It was up a lot the day before. Could have a little bit of a cool off day going into next week. Bitcoin looking weak. Let's take a look. Bitcoin. What do we got? I mean, it's doing this pretty much the same thing as the SPY is doing, just a little bit more aggressive. Runs up, shark fin. This is less of a shark fin, but it is coming back down. All righty, people. What do we got? Where's TLT? ELT. A little bit down. A little bit red zo over here. All righty. Yeah, a lot of people are talking about the death cross. I mean, it's all right. Everything's going to be fine. I mean, you could see a continued sell-off. It's very, very possible. Very, very possible to get that little death cross over here. But, I mean, it's not the end of the world. Like, could it sell off? Yeah, and what are we going to do? We'll buy puts, and we'll be fine. All right, let's see what's going on Twitter. Anything crazy? Oh, India accidentally fired a missile into Pakistan, I think. That's probably not what you want to do to start off your Friday. UN agency warns Ukraine war could trigger 20% food price rise. That's insane. Ukraine halts half of the world's neon output for chips. Hold on. Neon stocks. Okay. Well, Micron and those could rip off of that because there's, I mean, maybe not though. Ooh, that's the wrong thing. No, I don't know if they're gonna get a move off that. That's interesting though. Death cross is when the 50-day moving average crosses below the 200-day moving average. How exactly does someone fire a missile by accident? They fat fingered it. US gets 90% of the neon from Ukraine. All right, neon stocks. What the hell's what's a neon stock? Okay, fine. Hold on. Neonite is one. What's this? This is not moving. I mean, this doesn't do anything over here. I don't see anything. It's just they're all talking about this one thing. It's just every single time I type in neon stocks, it's just Neonode. And I don't think that has anything to do with neon. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see anything on that. They did. They fat fingered it. I've been looking into neon stuff since that tweet went out. Haven't seen much beyond the chip shortage. Yeah, I mean, and that's kind of already affecting everybody. So let's see. Francisco, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. LMT news will jump. What's the LMT news? They get a contract or something? I mean, it's running up a little bit here, but what's the news? Total compensation. Senate backs 2.2 billion military sale to Egypt. I don't see anything crazy on it, but it's trying to move up here in the pre-market. So Francisco, thanks for that super. I'm not sure though. Lots of kids are because missiles got fired by accident. Hey, you gotta have control, bro. You gotta have control. You know, you gotta know when to take profit on that one. You know? I would take a supply chain driving chip makers down. Right. So that's what I'm thinking. So maybe Micron puts will be good today when I mean so I already have the free Micron put, but the market's up today. So I mean that's gonna hurt the chip makers, but I don't really care. I've already made the money on it. If Micron and all those other chip makers are gonna go up, we'll just play it to the call side and make a boatload of money. just because it's a 0 day to expiration day and you can quickly flip those contracts for crazy premium. Let's see. You have 3 accidental missile firings? Jason, oh boy. Oh boy. That's rough. I don't have any. I'm good over here. Chilling. What's up? What's up, the Georgia picker? How you doing, buddy? All right, let's see what we got over here. So GameStop earnings next week. Could be interesting. Neon is commonly used in light bulbs to make neon signs. It's like GE, General Electric, maybe? Because they make light bulbs, don't they? And they're up 2% in the pre-market over here. They're not moving off a little pop. 3 out of 3 million ain't bad. All right, Jason, settle down there. Stud. All right, you're up 190% on Walmart from yesterday. You're welcome. That's a good one. Oh, Walmart up a little bit more in the pre-market over here. Woo! Woo! There you go. Think I can 3x $900 today? I mean, anything is possible. You could have come to me and been like, "Can I 10x it?" And I'd be like, "It's possible." Finally, converted my account to cash, waiting on funds to settle. There you go, man. Can I explain the 1348 topic you're always talking about? Yes. So it's exponential moving averages. So it's the 13 exponential moving average and the 48 exponential moving average. It's a very, very, very solid indicator at determining momentum. So if a stock is going to move big in any direction, there will be a 1348 cross. And if you follow the rules that we outline in the Discord and we teach, you will be able to make money off of it. The one thing you do have to watch out for, though, is that you will get head faked, which is fine. It happens. The other thing is, though, is that what we do in the Discord is we teach you the strategy. So yes, you can do 1348 for free. That's perfectly fine. And you don't have to be in there if you don't want to, but you can't see everything. So that's kind of what we've done. We just created the tool so you can see all of these crosses happening on 350 stocks and just get alerted to your phone. So you see a cross, you pull it up on your chart. Okay, does this look good or not? Yes or no? And then you take the trade or not take the trade. So what you're saying is I can 10x 5K today? Technically you can. I don't know if you're going to be able to, but it's possible. Trades mustache. My screen's blurry. Let me take a look. I'm in 1080. I know I'm in 1080. Unlike the neon thing would affect large gas suppliers. You think the air liquidate? Interesting. Good morning, Vix. What's up, Benjamin? How you doing, buddy? Let's see here, folks. Which chart is AMC? Top left. Top left. AME's always top left. GME's always bottom right. SPY's always bottom left. Miscellaneous stock, whatever we're looking at, is in the top right. Can I please give this old man Ortex on PBIG in Prague? Of course I can. Of course I can. Biggie over here. I thought, wasn't PBIG having a little bit of a run in after hours? I could be wrong. I didn't really look at it. I just saw some people saying it on Twitter. 10.2 thousand net return of 121,000 shares, 16.13% estimated short interest on Biggie, 12.79% average cost borrow, 100% utilization. Prague, I think it's going to look a little bit more weak, I think, on the short squeeze side. Yeah. 92.81% utilization, 13.02% estimated short interest, 9.87% average cost borrow, 160,000 shares borrowed today, though. Mullen Ortex? All right. Gotcha. Okay. We're hitting all the Ortexes. Ortex boy over here. I'm like your Ortex monkey. Here we go. Ortex. Mullen, 6,400 shares returned, 16.13% estimated short interest. No cost borrow yet because nothing's gone out on loan. 91% utilization. Matt Ring, how you doing, man? So if I can eventually get my account even or in positive, I could get a wrench. If you do that, Trey's mustache, yeah, you'll get a wrench. You'll also get a very solid congratulations from me because that would be ridiculous. Oh my God, we can't. All right, fine. What do you want, Indo or Tex? All right. See, this is the problem. I give you guys a little bit of Ortex, and then you're like, you're like the people that I used to watch smoke crack at the caddy tent. 100% utilization, 900 shares borrowed, 77% estimated short interest. That's pretty crazy. Let's see. Amy's up 2%, 1564. Let's see if we can crack that 16. QQQ setting up to cross down at open. It's probably above the 200 EMA though. That's my guess. It's probably still above that 200 EMA. Yep. All right, people. Let's see what we're gonna get over here today. It's gonna be a crazy day. Gonna be a crazy day. Friday craziness. We get Powell next week too. Woo! Daddy Powell. Let's see what we got. 100% utilization is still BS to me. There you go, Daniel. You're thinking. Vortex on X. Stop it. Where is X right now? Shark fin! Not really. But, like, you know, it is coming down. All right, everybody. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm. YouTube's been pretty wonky recently, so if you guys don't mind helping out, that's all I ask for. Thank you guys so much. Watching people smoke crack is fun until it's your dad doing the Spider-Man thing. Okay, what? I don't understand. Like, Spider-Man. I don't get it. All right. SPY's right at that 48 EMA on the 5. I mean, it doesn't look like strong in the pre-market over here. Ortex boy, what up? What up, Andrew? How you doing, my man? Byron talking at 10:15. What about, though? What's he talking about? What's the topic of the meeting? Is it like infrastructure, oil, Russia? Like, what is it? Anybody know? Oh, it's Russia? Oh, God. All right. So we'll probably listen to it. And I probably won't trade until then. Talking about Russia? Yeah. Okay. All right. SCV's driver, I don't think that's what he's talking about. My buddy left his car unlocked. Some dude was smoking crack in it when he went to go to work the next morning. Dude, you know what that reminds me of? The other guys. Dirty Mike and the boys. Thanks for the F Shack. That's exactly what that reminds me of. In the Prius. Good morning, STV. What's up, Big Stout? How you doing, man? All right, folks. Let's have some fun today, huh? The keyword was probably, bro, I'm so mad I paper handed my CVX puts and phone went into calls yesterday. I got to stop doing shit like that. Yes. Holding stuff overnight, anything that I'm holding overnight now is hedged. So it's always both ways. Expect an hour delay on the speech today. See, that would piss me off because I'm trying to trade. I want them to get the information out and then I can make my trades. If they delay it till like 1, I'm going to lose my mind. Yeah, that would suck. That would be really annoying. All right, SPY's slowly just stair-stepping its way down over here. It's only up 0.82%. I mean, that's $3.50. That's a lot, but we'll see. For real? Let's see. Do you trade Friday expiration when trading today? I feel like I should just stick with SPY on Fridays. Technically, trading everything is daily. I like dailies because it's quick. I don't like sitting on positions for too long. I just don't like it. Unless it's going to trend and you're going to see it go in one direction and the trend is your friend. Okay, cool. Let's make a bunch of money. But typically I like the quick ones, and the Fridays are the best because if they move big in your direction really quickly, I mean, you're going to be up 50% in like really, really a short amount of time. You can take your gains and move on to something else. Do you see what I mentioned about the Neon article about like light bulbs? They hinted at positive news. The Biden did? Interesting. How's IRNT doing? IronNet? I don't know. We flipped IronNet a couple times. It's up a little bit here. I mean, that's a decent one to flip on Fridays. But we've done it a couple of times. You search for sitting on the toilet backward. Okay, that's weird. And it brought me here. Looks like a bunch of crosses are about to happen. Head fakey today. Yeah, it's been really head fakey this week. So if you guys have been struggling a little bit trading this week, it's not you. It's the market. The market is like you're seeing everything like move pre-market and then just not really do a whole lot. The thing is the Micron trade yesterday was really, really good. The problem was no cross. That was just a momentum trade. Like, all right, we think it's going to go down. What's going to go on with the SPY? The SPY looks red, and we just traded it off of that. I mean, we still abided by like the rules of 1348 without the cross, but like everything was just super head fakey across the board. So sometimes you're going to have to use other indicators, or you can just sit the day out if it's going to be really head fakey like that. No, basically, White House warned chip makers about Neon, Krypton, and Xenon February 15th. So the move probably already happened. Neon ran 600% in 2014. Yeah, but like, is there any like Neon stock ticker or like an ETF that tracks Neon? Because like we're playing uranium now, but just finished a really good book, The Richest Man in Babylon. Woo! Yeah, it's a good one. That's a good one. Pay yourself first, 10%. You know who I heard that from? Josh, the guy the streamer I used to listen to. Lou said I don't wear condoms. Interesting. I don't think Lou talks about me. Could the 318s cause a gamma with GameStop? Not really. That's what the video was about last night. Like, that's a problem that we're seeing with AMC right now. It's a problem. We need the option chain to look good, and people are just not getting it. Nancy has to put. Sorry. My phone fell. Let's see. Amy Little Pop. Spy Pop. Iron T. Let's see here. Alrighty, folks. So, we have about 38 minutes until market open. Let's see if we can find something crazy to do. Not like stupid, but like smart. We know uranium's moving. We know that the market's going to be volatile. We've got chip makers. I think Micron is going to move a little bit. Francisco was talking about Lockheed. So let's see. Clumsy Tito's hands. Dude, my finger is good, but it still looks like kind of jacked up. But like it's fine, I think. Bitcoin up? Yeah, Bitcoin is up a little bit. It was shark finning though. Uranium is down today. Yeah, I know. What is it, like 1%? Oh, 3%. Ooh, that's fine. So what I want, here's the deal. With uranium, I just need it to move big up or down. I have a strangle on it. The thing that I kind of don't like about this week is I was 100% right on oil. I was completely correct. Oil was going to move big. We got the move. The problem was I picked the wrong thing to strangle with oil. Oxy. When that day where oil was moving down horrendously, Oxy went up. That would have, if I had a strangle on anything else, like USO, I did the strangle on USO, which is probably what I should have done, I would have made so much money. So that's kind of a learning experience. Like, okay, you got it right, but you just picked the wrong thing. 111 Mr. Simon, I appreciate the super buddy. Shout out to Grandpa Barney going through tough times right now. Yeah, I hope Grandpa Barney's doing better, man. I haven't seen him in here in a couple of days. I think he's still sick. Oil is way down. What's it at now? Where's my... Oops, that's not... let's see. Crude, WTI crude's at 105.92. Brent is at 109. Interesting. Let's see. As soon as I start trading, I start shaking. Trade with less money. Less money. I'm thinking about switching up my trading strategy a little bit too, to go a little bit more conservative. Tighter stops, taking gains a little quicker, but leaving some contracts on the table. So this is kind of what I'm thinking. I like to swing for the fences on a lot of stuff. It can get me into trouble sometimes though. Like if I just hold stuff, it gets me into trouble. So what I'm thinking of doing is buying closer to the money contracts, putting maybe a little bit less money in there. And then making contracts free quick. So get a bunch. So just stack up the free contracts. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Just free contracts, free contracts, free contracts, free contracts. Because we're seeing a lot of volatile moves overnight. If you get it right, I mean, you could hit crazy gains. Like we've seen it a couple times where I have a big position the day before, I make a bunch of money on it. The next day it goes too. So if I can make these contracts free, take some money off the table, and if that free contract goes to zero, I've still made money, and I play a little bit more conservative, I win. So I'm thinking maybe start taking gains at like 40%, 50%, stuff like that, and leave a contract or two on the table for free and just kind of let it go like that. That's kind of what I'm thinking going into next week. You think you should do that too? Yeah, I mean, it's worked really well so far. I'm just thinking like, all right, well, what is going to make it more consistent and put myself in the best position as possible and not like be like YOLO, just free contracts. Indo, that's the Indonesian energy one. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's just you got to really what's Indo doing in the pre-market over here? It's probably down a lot with oil doing what it's doing. Yeah, down 4% in the pre-market. But today is YOLO day. Today is YOLO day. How much time do you give your options weekly? Usually it's weeklies, yeah. Adam from In the Money suggests not to do that. YOLO or free contracts? You shouldn't be YOLOing, no. YOLOing is silly. UVXY puts would have printed yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, Indo is heavily shorted. Where's mine? There it is. Let's see. All right, folks. So SPY is slowly making its way down over here. Yeah, I like the weeklies. They give you a little bit more room for gain quickly. Indo has had too many huge rips to be comfortable. Yeah. So guys, this is the other thing with these like small cap oil stuff like CEI. If you're gonna see one of these stocks start to go HUSA or anything like that, I'm personally the smaller ones not trading options on them. I'm not doing it. Well, sort of. But if I'm going to do anything, if I ever get something, which I haven't yet, I'll buy a bunch of shares and then I'll buy puts. That's what I'll do. Buy 10 contracts, sell 8 of them at 25%, and that should give you the 2 other free. Exactly. It's easy. Just stack up the free contracts. It's easier said than done, but I mean, we've seen a lot of positions that we've had like go up crazy amounts, make them free at 100. See, like the other thing is like if it goes up 100%, like I'm going to be making them free or more than free at this point. Just because I want to be able to have the exposure to like overnight moves and like a little bit more time. But also be able to take gains quick. Is it better to buy in the money options towards the end of the week? Depends. You're going to see a lot more volatility. So if you're all right with seeing the big swings in the trade, you can go a little bit out of the money. But if you want it to be a little bit more smooth and not move as much, then in the money contracts are going to give you that. You won't get stopped out as much, or it'll take you a little bit longer to get stopped out. So AMC right now is at 1561, up 1.89%. We've got SPY moving down a little bit here still. Let's check Lockheed. I know Francisco was looking at Lockheed thinking it was going to go. So Lockheed's flat right now. I mean, I do have that one Lockheed YOLO for next week. Let's see what happens with it. I mean, I don't think it's going to do much. Let's see if we can get some money back on it, though. That'd be pretty sweet. Hey SV, today will be the first time buying options doing 1348, 500 settle cash to dip my toe in. Any recommendations? Not financial advice. Be very careful. Very careful. This week has shown us that the market is kind of crazy. And what I've been doing is taking smaller positions and spreading it out across a couple of different stocks that I like on 1348s. Because what happens is that if you see like Netflix yesterday sucked. Like you need to like space. I'm spacing it out with a little bit smaller money. I've taken your advice on the free contracts. Now you need to listen to your own advice. Yeah, I mean, exactly. I mean, I've done it a few times, but like I did it with ChargePoint this week and it worked very well. ChargePoint, it worked well. I've already made money on this Micron trade. So if the Micron contract that I have for today goes to zero, it doesn't matter. I've still made money on my Micron trade from yesterday. It's free. BBBY short interest did shorts cover Monday. Ortex is not really going to tell you that. Tesla back up. Crazy moves yesterday and after hours. Did they announce something? Tesla. What do we got? Ooh. Stair stepping its way up. DocuSign way down. How much? So we were talking about DocuSign yesterday. It was just too expensive. That's 2 earnings in a row. Oh my god. That's 2 earnings in a row where they got busted. What are the 80s? What are the 80 puts? How much were these? No. DocuSign, the $80 puts for this week were $240. That's crazy. Going out to the 70, that's so expensive. You could have made a boatload of money if you played it, but it could have also been a dud. Like you got to think about risk reward. Like looking in hindsight, yeah, DocuSign's a great earnings play. But when you're about to enter into that trade, it's like, oh shoot, this could go to zero really quickly. Wish you played those Neo puts yesterday. Yeah, Neo was crazy. Neo was crazy yesterday. Neo the day before was crazy on the call side. So that's one of the reasons why I want free contracts. T just nosedive and it's jumping all over the place. That's a real candle. Well, that's a real candle right here. Hold on. Yeah, I don't see any news on it, but this is moving here. Let's keep an eye on it. Oh, Neon Company, LIN. Interesting. Is it ripping? Lind, 2% in the pre-market. T, really doing crazy stuff. Where's VZ? Is Verizon moving too? Not really. What the hell's going on with AT&T? Interesting here. All right. So, all right, people, we got 29 minutes until market open. Let's see what we're going to get here. Again, guys, if you don't mind hitting that like button on your way in, helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. Helps with the YouTube algorithm. So thank you guys so much. For those of you who have already done it and those of you who are about to, I really, really appreciate it. Neo could cross down on the 5-minute again. I mean, AT&T, is this earnings? Like, what the hell is it? They didn't have earnings, I don't think. Okay, what is going on with AT&T? I don't see any news on it, but it's going wild. This is weird. So watch AT&T today. I mean, typically it's pretty shark finny, but look at this thing. It's looking interesting. This thing is ripping right now. It's buyout, like a buffer. Like what the hell is going on? I don't see any news. All I see right now for news is U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission rejects proposal to list and trade shares of NYDIG Bitcoin ETF. That's all I see on anything. Oh, T spinoff. All right, watch AT&T today. Yeah, T is booming right here. Let's see. J Midro, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Thank you for the Ortex on BBIG in Prague. What I've learned from you on 1348 works, but I will be joining the Discord for sure. Awesome, buddy. We'd love to have you in there. When AMC moons, I am retiring and trading with you daily. Woo! There we go. We will be here. We will be here. Don't ready. Filed from an 8K. Okay. So you can't buy options on it right now, but this looks spicy here. So if it's an 8K, let me look. 8K March 11th. Current report. Hold on. That's silly. Entire filing. Title of each class. I don't see anything crazy. Issued a press release providing an update on its strategy and financial outlook on March 11th. The press release is attached. Warner Media. Huh. Let's see if there's something on the news that comes out about this. Let's see. You just deposited $100 from my checking account into my TD Ameritrade account, and it came in right away, but will only let me buy stocks, not options. There's time delay. Yes, the cash needs to settle for options. Let's see. T is still it's flickering around here. I mean, I don't have the actual news. I'm trying to go through the 8K quickly to really see, but it's like it's long. I'm trying to pending close of Warner Media transaction. Pro forma free cash flow. Yeah, it's just the current report, but it's ripping. Interesting. So we'll be watching AT&T at open, just kind of see what happens over here. It's flickering around, doing some wild stuff, so careful with it. I don't really know what we're going to see. It does have this 1348 crossover, but if it's a news play and it's going to go running a little bit, you can play the sympathy on Verizon if Verizon wants to go a little bit. See if Verizon wants to get a little action over here, up 0.6. That's not bad. AT&T is working to merge this Warner Media unit with Disca. Hold on. Is Disca running? Okay, so watch Disca. I do like trading Disca. And here's the thing, going off of that free contract strategy, we could get some Disca, have it go up, and then it goes up next week. And maybe, I don't know, but we'll see. So going into market open, watch AT&T, Verizon, and Disca. Maybe even Para on a sell-off because they're kind of left out of this. They're trying to move here a little bit. So those are going to be, they're paying a dividend into new Warner Media stock. Interesting. You can't find AT&T. The ticker's T. Haven't played Disca in a minute. We've had some good success with Disca. We've also been shark finned a few times. Which happens. It happens. All right. Amy, 1560 over here. 23 minutes until market open. Here we go, everybody. Let's see what we're going to get here. T YOLO. I wouldn't YOLO it. BBIG, how's this looking? Oh, up 3.5% in the pre-market. Not bad. I mean, this thing was whoa, running up in the after hours there, huh? India just accidentally fired a missile. Yeah, we were talking about that. They fat fingered it. Good morning from the U.S. Virgin Islands. Hello, Rico. How you doing, buddy? Verizon YOLO then. No, stop it. Don't let the YOLOs come after you like that. Oh, okay. So I don't know. So let's see what happens at market open. The AT&T, Verizon, and Disca. You get a cash dividend and 20.25 shares per T share in Warner Media. See, that's not bad. That's kind of what BBIG is going to end up doing, but we'll see. Putin said P stocks are going good. Trust me, bro. Yeah, he's going to say that. All right, SPY's slowly stair-stepping its way down over here. It's just all it's been doing since we've been on is just slowly moving down. What position in high school football did you play? Best position in football. Backup quarterback. And then I also played safety and outside linebacker. Spy in the box. What do you see for today? I think it's gonna test the. So I was saying it could test up, but the last thing that I said on it was it could test the lower range, right over here. What up, Vix? Only just woke up, slept in, and missed my seminar this morning. Like for class, good. Skip it. Good morning, Vixers and Vixens. Let's make some money today on this Freaky Friday. All right, Mark. All right, chill, bro. Chill, bro. What are you doing here, pal? Chill. That's the best position in the NFL. Right. It's also the best position in football. You know what that's from? Blue Mountain State, baby. That's a good show. You think X is going to keep running? No. I think X is going to shark fin really hard. All right, let's see what we get on Twitter now. Are they going to talk about this AT&T stuff? Nope. Interesting. Not yet. They're slacking today on AT&T. I haven't seen anything come through the news feed, which is weird, but it looks like we're getting that spin-off. Check out Micron. Is it selling? It's coming down. It's coming down. All right, so Micron 1348 cross just now. It's at that 200 EMA. If it breaks down at open and starts to sell, maybe I'll just add to the free put that I have and just trade it again. Dude, Blue Mountain State is awesome. Had a very successful week of flipping AMC covered calls. Made $2,989 this week and bought AMC calls April, June. There you go, Caleb. About to have a lot of 5-minute crosses to the downside. Yeah, anybody in the Discord, your phone's about to start freaking out. Bzz, 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 bzz. That's what happens. Any single time my phone starts to freak out, I know it's just like market's doing something. Is there a connection between USO and CEI? Just oil. I mean, CEI is energy, so sort of. Let's see here, people. We got 19 minutes until market open. Make sure you guys are engaging with the content, hitting that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot getting people in here. How are we doing today? Not bad. We could be doing better. Let's see. You paid to join premium, and I got the discipline. Now I'm ready for trade sensei. Here we go. I just went and got a coffee. You said YOLO day today? No. I had so many alerts this week. One morning, my girlfriend thought I had some ladies on the side texting me. Oh, man. That's tough, bro. That's tough. At least you could just be like, dude, it's the Discord, man. It's 1348. Bollinger Bands are starting to tighten on AMC. I feel like we're headed towards another June run or possibly the squeeze. Thoughts? It's possible. Love your content. Keep it up. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Pivot 8 easy. All right. Micron bouncing up to that 48 EMA over here. I mean, that contract's free. SPY 1348 cross down, still above that 200 EMA. AT&T, what's going on here, pal? Oh, it's holding. It's holding. So watch Disca, AT&T, Verizon at open. X is showing inverse head and shoulders on the 1 hour for Monday. X also likes to do whatever the fuck it wants. X is like a little volatile girlfriend that doesn't really want anything to do with you, but then sometimes does. And then you just like get hit with like literally, like, look at this, like X right here. It's just shark. Look at this. Ready? Oh, you're having a good time. Shark fin. And then it just comes right back up. And you're like, what am I going to do with my life? And then it just rips back up. Same thing here. Look at this volatility. It's like, oh, and then it just freaks out all the time. And like this thing right here, it's like, oh man, you're having some volatile days over here. Like X is volatile. I don't like it anymore. Once I got shark finned on it and just head faked really bad, I was like, nope, never again. Last Friday was a bad shark fin. SPY still coming down here. Vic's still salty about his trade on X. I'm very salty about X. Need Lockheed to have a moon mission today? Yeah, I've got time on mine, I think. I just could, depending on what Biden says today. I mean, it's down a little in the pre-market over here. SPY is still coming down. Where's Micron? Is that free put going to print? We'll see. Blue balls. X is just like the real X. Okay, so I wouldn't know anything about that. All right, folks. Let's see what we're going to get here. Hey, all. Tim James, how you doing, man? You see a quick bounce back as a reaction to the sell-off at open before oil settles down. Maybe play the initial bounce. I don't know. Check on Baba. I can tell you I don't like it. I can tell you right now I don't like it. Baba. Ooh. I remember when Baba was at 300, and I didn't like it there. Micron to 0, maybe? No. I just like trading Micron. Like, it's fun to trade. You get it. The premiums are kind of cheap on it in terms of the other chip makers. And when it moves, the contracts move big. So there's no way Pfizer's delisting, bro. There's no way. People have been saying that. I don't know where they're getting that from. If it was, it'd be tanking right now. When rain sponsor, I'm drinking Celsius's today. I'm feeling good, people. Feeling good today. I'm still aggressively tired, but I mean, I'm gonna try to sleep this weekend and not like freak out. I took a mental health day in high school to focus on options. Wait, they let you just take days off now? What? Is next week not the official rate hike? It could be. I think it's going to be. 10 a.m. consumer confidence report. Yeah, and then Biden at 10. I don't know, man. Like things are wild. I would do that. I would just be like, hey man, I gotta go. Gotta go trade with the boys. I just not delist in this stock. Oh, it's a convertible note that's being retired. Oh, cool. Okay. I was like, yeah, there's no way, man. All right, let's see what we're gonna get over here. All right, where's T? I don't know. I mean, you can see Disca move. It hasn't really moved yet. Disca, nope. VZ, nope. So hold on, I don't know. We'll see it open. We've got 13 minutes left to go here, people. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in too. Helps out a whole lot. Let's see. It's from a form that Blue Eyes posted on Twitter. Oh, fucking Christ. That dude again. Oh my God. These people. Ung moving up? Damn. I hate X more than Ung. Ung is moving up. Where's natural gas this morning? Up 2.5%. Not bad. IWM short squeeze, please. It's done it a few times. Like it can get squeezy. Like IWM can get squeezy. It's not like MOAS, but like it can squeeze. Dividend investor. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Doesn't Charlie Munger own a lot of BABA? He might. I just happen to disagree with Charlie Munger on the risk of owning Chinese assets in this marketplace with those accounting laws. I just don't like the risk there. I don't know why he would like the risk either on that. I think it's strange that they buy those. Let's see. All right. 1555 on Amy over here. Spy's just kind of hanging out in the middle of the 200 EMA and the 48. Let's see here. Okay, let's see what's going on the tweeter. Indo is ready to squeeze. Indo's been ripping, man. Indo's been really ripping. My bet 17 or better, we get good momentum. I would say 21 is when we really get it. I'd say 21 is when we really start to get some momentum. Quad U, what's Quad U doing? Is it selling off still? Oh, Quad U's coming back a little bit here. Yeah, it was down 3% at one point. Now it's back only down 1.8, so that's not bad. Baba below 100. Holy cow! I remember seeing some big short on Wall Street Bets telling everyone last summer that the sure play would be to buy leaps for Baba. Yeah, I mean, I never liked it. Never liked Baba. It's the Amazon of China, kind of, but like They just every couple of months, oh, they're gonna delist them, and it's like, all right, well, we're gonna have to deal with that nonsense, and it's just not for me. Can I check Ortex for SPY? Yeah. SPY. ARCA. Ooh, really low cost to borrow, 53% utilization, 17.47% estimated short interest. Let's see. Is Oxy a dead cat? No. SPY crossing down on the 5-minute. Yeah, it is, but it's also coming back up here a little bit. Quad U trying to make a little bit of a move. Let's see what we're going to get over here. The only one that I would like is like Neo. CEV. Because they can expand and do well. Oxy is stale. Yeah, it's down a little here. It's not really doing what we would have needed it to do on the strangle. I got the oil move right. I did get the oil move right. I just played the wrong thing. That's essentially what happened. I just played the wrong thing. Oh, 9 minutes until market open, people. Here we go. I pay $1,200 a year to be a member of an online stock community, yet I watch SCV most days to make money. Thanks, guys. Kelly. There you go, man. Sleepy Omelets, thank you so much for the super, bud. I'm an Oxy addict, and it's your fault. All right, man. I apologize for that. I apologize. What's your background that we should be confident in your opinions? You shouldn't be confident in my opinions at all. I'm a 22-year-old college student. Like, why are you taking what I say with any like like why? Even if I did have experience, I'd be like, oh, then you're just gonna be like, oh yeah, that dude passed the test, and it's like, all right. So, I mean, you could do it, but like, I'm not. You shouldn't. Like, I don't. Literally, I could tell you right now that I'm a finance major, but if you listen to my stream enough times, I'll tell you that the finance major is fucking useless. It doesn't teach you anything. So I don't know. You can listen to me if you want. If you agree with what I have to say and things start to play out the way I say they do, and it starts to make sense, then you can listen more. If not, cool. What was that Twitter feed? Fast Stock News? Yes. Yes. Oxy down, SPY flickering. What do we got? What do we want? T. What's going on with T? Shark fin. Let's see. Didn't you know everything everyone says online is a financial advisor giving financial advice? Yeah, exactly. STV over Kramer for sure. Yeah, I probably, if I had to go back to 2008, I probably wouldn't have said buy Bear Stearns. If everybody on the news is like, they are holding a lot of these bonds or these swap, it's not good. I probably would have been like, yeah, probably go to cash. I wouldn't have been like, buy the dip. Like, no. Let's see. He doesn't have a banner that says not financial advice because it's assumed a reasonable person wouldn't take advice from a 22-year-old. Yeah, exactly. Why be like you're listening to a 20. Oh man, I have such a good one for this. I just don't want to be mean because I feel like people would yell at me for it. Bear Stearns. Good morning, says the game changer. What's up, man? I was just asking a condescending question. It's fine. It's fine. You can do that. You can do that. Jim's your uncle. Jim is not my uncle. How can I be related to Ben Shapiro and Jim Cramer? How can that happen? That just doesn't seem like it's gonna work, right? I'm not related to Ben Shapiro. Micron dropping? Woo, baby. I mean, I might get more Micron puts today. It's below that 200. We got 6 minutes left to go here, people. Amy, 1556. Here we go. Let's see. I'm here for the Tito stories. I mean, you can do whatever you want, man. You can do whatever you want. All right. So, all right, folks. DraftKings? What's up with DraftKings? Oh, 5-minute closing candle there, DraftKings. I don't know. I'm feeling puts today. That's just how I feel. But let's see what the charts tell us. It feels like puts day. That's what it feels like. Micron already crossed. So it's crossed here. It's down below the 200 EMA over here. I already have that free put, essentially. I don't know. Let's see what happens. The put's at 74. So it would need to make a big move to the downside in order for it to, play out. USO setting up to cross. See, USO, I don't want really, honestly, I don't really want to trade those. I just don't really want to. Bull flag on the SPY? It could be. Let's see. So we got 5 minutes left to go. Everything's kind of flickering around. So not only are we smoking crack today with Jim Kimmer and Ben Shapiro, we're YOLOing Bear Stearns. No, we're doing none of that today, people. We're doing absolutely none of that. So, guys, as you're filtering in, again, help out, engage with the content, hit that like button. It's all I ask for. Let's see here. Doing all right. Doing all right on it. Let's see. I trust in SV, aka Jimmy Neutron Boy Genius. Nah. All right, let's see what we get over here. Micron. Flicker, flicker, flicker. Holy shit, everybody's talking about this Indo thing. Indo's probably down. Indo is down with oil. It's just going to move with oil. It's just going to move down with oil, man. I don't know where Micron will go. It's breaking below the 5 minute. Sorry, cancel below the 200. I would love to have a nasty SPY trade today. Yeah, me too. Me too. We already did Indo Ortex. It's like 70%. Was it 70% shorted or something crazy? It was something wild like that. Like 70%, something crazy. 77% estimated short interest on it. What's your dare shirt? I don't have a dare shirt. I dare you to not do crack. So heavy on wheat today. I mean, is wheat running back up? Wheat. No IMPP options either. Made money on shares though. There you go. Oh, GME, freaking crime candle over here. Let's see here. Ben Levine, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Morning SV, let's make some gains today, dude. Let's do it, buddy. Thank you so much for that super. I appreciate that. All right, what do we got here? Let's check the news. Macron ready to adopt more sanctions. All options on the table. All right, uranium, run it. All right, let's see what we're gonna get over here. Hit that like button, you freeloaders. Thanks, Amber. I appreciate that, buddy. TMC might be a good trade today. Is that Turner Music? Doesn't AT&T own them? Metals, okay. Disca, T, Verizon. What's going on here? Yeah, Disca candle. All right, so VZ. All right, T. All right, so watch AT&T at open. I'm going to leave that one up here until open. All right, folks. Opening play is X. Watch out for the shark fin. 2 minutes to go. Here we go, people. All right. Let's see what we're going to get. I mean, maybe we'll just leave out Disca because Disca, I mean, Discovery. Yeah, Disca looks all right. I don't know. There's no cross on it, but Disca's usually fun to trade. It's usually a fun one. What's the ticker saver for gold? Well, the gold ETF is GLD. Uranium going to run because India needs more for another missile because they fat fingered the first one. Yeah. Shark fin incoming. Maybe. SPY moving down here a little bit. Let's see. 1 minute left to go. Here we go, everybody. It's about to get interesting. Amy's coming down a little bit here. 1548 over here. We got GME crime candle. Let's see what we're going to get over here with AT&T. Ukraine Air Force says Russian aircraft fired at Belarus. Okay, that's not good. Market makers doing the normal rotational manipulation to scrap their pennies on both sides of the trade, as they tend to do. Ooh, baby. All right. Less than a minute to go. SPY's up 0.65%, but coming down. Where's Micron over here? Micron bounced. Lockheed, what's going on with this? Lockheed down. Oh. Ding, ding, ding. Market is open. Weird crime candles flickering on across the board over here. So SPY over here. Let's see. Lockheed doing its thing. Verizon or T. I want T first. AT&T might be bouncing off this 13 EMA over here. Disco. What's going on with this beast? Isco looks like it could get a little spicy. Verizon, let's see here. Verizon with a nice candle to the upside. So Verizon could look good over here. AT&T, what's it doing? Disco. I'm just flickering back and forth just to see where they are. Disco looks all right. Micron, let's see how this is looking over here. Micron didn't like it over there. Walmart looked really spicy yesterday, and it could be even spicier today. So no cross yet on it. SPY flickering around a little bit over here. DocuSign dipping. Yep. All right. Let's see what we're going to get here, people. Can you make an Oxy one on the merch? I could try. I could try to do that. MU. Micron coming down. Verizon. I mean, it's flickering here. T. Might bounce here. Para. Nothing. Disca. Nothing yet. Bank of America. What's Amy doing? Amy selling off here. 1348 cross coming down. Bank of America up 1.66. I mean, SPY hasn't fallen below that 200 EMA yet. If it does, watch for a test of this zone. The 200 EMA is at 426. The lower end of the zone is like 425.50. Dash going nuts. DoorDash. It's trying to get up there. T go boom. Did it? No, not yet. Let's see. Amy selling off here. Come on, bro. All right. Let's see what we're going to get over here. AT&T's trying, man. Verizon, I think, has got a little bit more potential over here to start to get going. Charge point just crossed up on the daily. Okay. Why don't you ever show up for Kmart? I don't know. I've never traded it. Let's see. Amy coming down. SPY, not honestly, very slow this morning so far. So charge point coming down. Where's Micron? Oh, there she goes. Micron crossed down 1348. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. There she goes. There she goes again. All right, Micron. What do you got here, pal? All right, SPY coming down. Micron's just selling hard over here. Ooh, baby. Fuel cell. Oh my, Micron. Jesus. Just doesn't like anything to do with what's going on here. I mean, I feel like this is going to bounce a little bit, but like, Jesus, this is a bit aggressive here, Micron. Fuel cell. Getting a little pop. Amy coming down. SPY starting to move down a little bit. Instantly sang it with you. There we go. Apple selling. They're getting across. Apple cross and coming down. SPY moving its way down over here. Let's see. Where's Micron? I need a closing candle. Oxy getting a pop. There you go. 85% on Micron puts. There you go, man. All right. Look at it. Riot cross down. Rivian popping. Interesting. All right. SPY. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Micron. Oh, boy. This thing wants to go down. Fuel cells running. Yeah, fuel cells getting a little pop here. Apple was coming down too, I think. Ah, that was not what we wanted. Whoa, I'm already up 15% on these new Microns. Let's see what we're going to get over here. Oh, what the hell was that? Already up 100% on Micron. Yeah, my free one's down about 28%. My new ones are up 20% over here. So let's see what happens. This thing is just getting hammered right now. Hammered. So I bought the 75. So that's what I did. I bought the $75 strike. Oxy doing its thing. Oh my God. Micron's getting giant candles to the downside here. Yeah, Oxy trying to do its thing. I mean, it's bouncing a little here, but this is dirty. This is nasty over here. You bought the 75 too? Yeah, I mean, I'm up 27% on this. Let's see what happens here, though. 32%. What the hell is going on with Micron? Did it get terrible news? 195%. There you go, man. I mean, where's AMD? What's everything else doing right here? AMD, what's up with this thing? AMD crossing down below the 200 EMA over here. I mean, SPY's trying to make its way back up here, though. So these Microns could be a really quick flip for me. Yeah, I'm going to flip these really quick right here, I think. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm just trying to think of what I want to do. Like, that's a decent gain right here. 25%. 30. Wow. Hold on. New lows. Oh my God. Okay. Well, I'll leave this for a little bit. Walmart freebies are running. Ben Levine, attaboy. All right. So Micron is just looking like he wants to get busted today. So we'll see what happens here. I'm up 30% on these new ones. Still down a little bit on the freebie Micron, but I mean, it's trying to bounce here a little bit. SPY, yeah. Take the gain, it'll bounce. Yeah, I'll probably take the gain in a minute. Yeah. Whoa, 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 Micron. Take the gain, it will bounce. As he says that, it rips. All right. Wow, these are volatile. These are very volatile over here. So SPY flicker in here. Yeah, I'll probably take the gain on this real quick. Let's see. Where's the 13 on the 1 minute? It's got some ways to go to test it. SPY's flickering here. Oxy's above the 200. It's going to cross on the 5 minute soon. Ooh, interesting. Amy's coming down. SPY's just kind of flickering here. LMT, is it running? Lockheed running? Lockheed looks like it wants to go here a little bit. So SPY's just kind of hanging out here. Let's see. I feel like Fridays have been down a lot lately. Yeah. Oops. SPY trying to come up to this 13 over here. Let's see what Micron wants to do. Oh, back down. Walmart, is it running? Walmart run it again on a 1348. That honestly could be a decent one. Yep. 15% on these, 20% on these here. It comes back down. Jesus. Neo? What's Neo doing? I mean, that's the 1 minute. What's it look like on the 5? Crossing down. I don't know. We got a shill named Richard. Richard! Short interest is declining. Yeah, right, buddy. That's an wow. Micron new lows over here. Here it comes. Here it comes. SPY down. Oh, these are going to be up big. Yeah, these are up nice. 45% on these right now. I might make it free, hold this contract into the end of the day, or I might be able to have 2 free contracts in a minute. Oxy looking good. Yeah, Micron puts are looking good too right here. So I honestly might take this really quick and then just leave the other put in there. Let's see. X is looking good. Yeah, and Oxy, you guys were saying? Oxy is looking like it wants to cross. SPY, Jimmy's getting a crime candle over here. All right, people. Yeah, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. I mean, we're already printing on these, so let's see what we're going to get here. 56% on these Microns. 66% on these Microns. 68% on that. Oh my God. Free fall. This is a good trade here so far. Took my Micron gains at 50%, not trying to be greedy. Yeah, that's fair. I'm going to, wow. Watch it at 74. Where's AMD? Is AMD coming down with it too? Oh, SPY red candle here. Watch Micron start to sell even more. 267% on free contracts. There you go. I'm up 12% on my free ones. On my actual, the new ones that I just bought, I'm up 83%. Here we go. Amy 1493. SPY's coming down here. Wow, Micron. Jesus Christ. All right, let's see. I'm up over 100% on these. Not bad. PayPal put's starting to print. There you go, Keith. Yeah, I think what I'm going to do is I might make this free and then ride my other put as well because I've got a lot of money on Micron right now that I don't really want to do. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sell 2 of these really quick, take the gain, bing, bang, boom. Sell 2 of those right there. Yeah, thank you very much. Got my money back. Now I can ride this other Micron. I can ride both my Microns for free now and have an amazing time for the rest of the day. Nice. Great way to start off the day, people. There we go. AMD looking good. Yeah, AMD starting to come down a little here. Damn, that was a perfect sell on the Micron so far. So I have a Micron 75 and a Micron 74 now. The 74 is up 30%. The 75 is up 100%. There we go. What is that? Oh, Ryan. Sorry, I forgot, buddy. I gotta watch it. Sorry, I gotta watch it. Sorry, I've been brain dead after streaming recently. I just collapse. I go to the gym and then I just die. There we go. Nice little 100% trade to start off the day. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all, people. Amy coming down. No, that's not good. Quad U, is it looking good? That's flickering. GME crime candle still. Where? Oh, what else were we looking at? T. Did T end up bouncing? Nope. Oxy Cross and Shark Week. Yeah. Ryan, I'm sorry about that, buddy. All right, people, let's see here. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm, getting some more people in here. We just crushed that Micron for over 100%. Thank you very much. Made it free. Hopefully you guys got some action on that too. So my T calls for 50%. There you go. Disco about to cross down on the 3-minute. Ooh. Ooh, interesting. All right, let's see. DraftKings cross down. I do like me some DraftKings puts. Watch the Spire on the 200 EMA. Verizon. Coming down. Let's see. All right. 20% on the 74 free Micron and then 93% on the 75 Micron. So I made it free. Affirm jump dumping hard. Yeah, Affirm is dumping hard here. Maybe I'll get 1 on Affirm. I don't think the premium is going to be that good on it though. I think it's going to suck, honestly. Like I actually think the Affirm premium is going to be god awful. Oh, it's actually not bad. Oh, the spreads are wild, though. See if I can get filled at that. Wow, they're not going to fill me at that? That's ridiculous. Oh, they got me. There you go. I was going to say, that's absolutely ridiculous if you don't want to fill me at that. Affirm is falling here. I got some Affirm puts on this 1348 cross coming down. All right, let's see. Micron's doing good. Affirm put's doing good. Let's see what happens here. All right, 10% on these Affirms so far. Ooh, the Microns are coming back to life. I mean, they're free, so let's see. Neo making you cry? Why? Why is Neo making you cry? Neo cross down, selling off. Oh, hold on. Wait, Trey's mustache. Did you hold your Microns? Trey's mustache. If you held your Microns, you're up. You have to be up. Because I know you had to hold them and you were taking losses on it. I think you're good to go. Spy pop. Affirm contract slightly red here, probably due to the spread. Micron bouncing a little here. Did you get contracts for this week or next week? This week, like today. You're still holding the microns? Oh, you sold them? Damn. Snap. Walmart looking good? Yeah, Walmart's been going on some moon missions over here. So, I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, hold on, Affirm. What you doing here, pal? What you doing here, pal? A little pop. Let's see where the 1 minute 13 is. Let's see. Nine. Ooh, Micron dropping again. Click the link for 1348. How do I sign up to get the alerts? So for the alerts, you need to there's a channel in there that says how to sign up for premium. So you can do it in there. Also, guys, today is going to be the last day of those free alerts. If you want to really get access to all the premium and really take advantage of like what we have to offer, which is a lot, make sure you guys check out that Discord link in the top over here. So, people, let's see what we're going to get over here. All right, folks. When you said Walmart would be good, you bought 2 calls and then sold them for 40%. Damn. Yeah, Walmart does look good here. I might get it. I don't know. We'll see. Spy's popping a little bit here. I'm up 100% on these microns. Nice. I don't know. There's nothing on Walmart that would say get it, but we'll see. I'm little slightly green on the, or I'm up 8% on these Affirms. I like the Affirm puts today. Let's see what happens. Spy's coming up to test that 13 EMA on the 5 minute. Pelosi bill to end normal trade with Russia to floor next week. Interesting. Flicker, 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 flicker. Santa Mark is not worth more than AMC. All right. The firms are starting to look good here. Oh, 130% on these new microns. There we go. There we go, people. Oh, baby. That's a good one. Affirm. Well, oh, Ryan, you had PayPal, didn't you, buddy? PayPal was probably doing something similar. Yeah, PayPal doing a cross coming down here. I mean, it's not bad. When does Biden talk? It's supposed to be at like 10, I think. So depending on what happens. But they always charge point. Charge point. What do we got here? Ooh, charge point coming down hard. Let's see here. Yeah, charge point puts look good. I mean, I put on like everything today. I've got no calls. No calls. Affirm looks good. These microns are solid. All right, here we go. Charge point. All right, Spy trying to pop a little bit here. Only calls on Walmart. I mean, is it going again? If it's going again, yeah, man. I mean, Walmart just like crime candles. My belly's rumbling. All right, let's see. 18% on the Affirms, 130% on the microns. Ooh, ripping. Let's see. Stayed in micron with old $69 put. Jesus. That's far, dude. I don't know how the hell I don't know why you thought it was going to 16. All right, now it's selling hard. SoFi falling hard. Yeah, I got a couple of charge point puts just to mess around. What's it at now? It's selling. We'll see what happens with it. Is the options market manipulated too? They purposely keep the price in between spread? No. The spread is just the bid and the ask on what people are willing to pay. That's all it is. 1477 on AMC right now, down another 50 cents, 3.4%. I mean, honestly, with the way that AMC's been going and it comes down to these levels, it just rips right after usually. Micron, what's this doing? Just selling. Affirm, how's this looking? Yeah, coming down. You're diamond handing your AMC $16 calls. Max pain will come through. Hopefully it's not max pain for you, buddy. SPY trying to come up here a little bit. Affirm trying. Charge point, what's this doing? Actually, Walmart, hold on. Did Walmart just break new day highs? No, Walmart came down on that. Interesting. All right, so I'm up a little on these charge points. Ooh, sorry about that. The Affirms are up 12%. The Microns are now only up 85. The old Microns are up 11. Oops, I'm just clicking stuff all over the place today. 111% on Micron. Boom. Thank you. There you go, man. Bing, bang, boom. In and out. Take your money and run. All right. Charge points are now up 25%. That's not bad. Charge point. All right. Let's see. Tim, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really, really appreciate that. Tim, thank you always for your support of the channel, my man. I really appreciate that, man. Affirm. There we go. 40% on the Affirms. Fire me up, people. Quad U calls are down like 9%. TLT Strangle's not looking too good. Lockheed's getting busted. All right, here we go. Yeah, the Affirm puts look real strong over here. 43% on these. LME, nickel, and the reverse decision. What do you mean the reverse decision? You're talking about like how they're not margin calling people? Shills in the chat? Nice. I like it. I like the shills. They're fun. Is Micron bouncing hard here? I mean, it does this. Where's the EMA on the 1 minute? Ooh, it blew right through. So watch it at this right here. I might get out of my Microns and then just leave everything else. Let's see. Let's see here, people. SPY just kind of hanging around that 13 EMA, and Micron wants to come up here a little bit. So we'll see what happens. All right. Micron, bye-bye. Did it fill? Oh, it filled, I think. There we go. All right, so I got out of the 75 on the Micron. I'll leave the other free contract. The Affirms are looking good, and the charge points are looking really good too. So SPY's moving down here a little bit. Micron's getting a little bit of a bounce. So I got out of the charge point trade that I got today. Good to go. So that one's out. I still have the 74 that I had yesterday. I'm up 54% on Affirm and 21% on charge point. So what's charge point doing over here? It's just chilling. So where's Affirm? Affirm, if this comes into the strike, these will be fun. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Look at these candles on Affirm. Micron back down. That's fine. I still have the 74. Calling out the fact that CNK is up 2.5% and AMC is getting pummeled is not being a shill. It's reality. True. And also, what do you expect to happen? Like, literally, do people not understand that the stock is manipulated? They have a shitload of shares that they can use against it. They're doing, I say this all the time, they're doing exactly what we expect them to do. Short the nuts out of it because they don't want it to go up. That's what they're doing. AMC, biggest movie theater chain in the world. Cinemark, not. And it's going up and AMC's coming down. What do you think that means? They're all in the same meme basket. It's all linked. It's all the same situation here. So when they short it down like this on a day like today, when the SPY is a little bit green and they're trying to crack Amy to the downside, what do you think is supposed to happen? What do you think is like that's the thing. It's like we all entered into this knowing that there's a lot of manipulation into it. That's what gives it the potential. Does Cinemark have that potential? Fuck no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. But with AMC, the retail investor base and the way the where the company's going and the short interest in the stock, yes, it does. So when you see them do this, it's like in my mind, it's like, oh yeah, they're just doing exactly what we expect them to do. Cool. All right, SPY's coming down here. Affirm selling again. Oh, there it goes. Charge point. Is this thing coming down? Yeah, charge point coming down. Micron. All right, let's see what's gonna happen here. All right, I'm up 61% on Affirm. My Micron put is good. My charge point puts are good. So let's see here. All right, people. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. We're already printing today. Nowhere else are you going to be printing like this. Here and in the Discord is where you guys are going to be able to do this. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check out that Discord link in the top over here. There's a lot of people doing really, really, really good things, changing their life in there. Make sure you check out the games channel, check out the strategy, see if you like it. Again, I mean, I feel like you see it in the chat every single day that people are crushing it with it. So, I mean, it's worth checking it out. I want you guys to be able to make money. Disc across down on the 5. Interesting. Let's see here. Firm looks good on these puts. Keith, dude, thank you so much for that generous Superman. I really appreciate that. When I first started using 1348, both my losses and gains were quite high. Since I have learned to fine-tune analysis using indicators, my losses are minimal, but so are my gains. I'm getting out way early for losses and gains. Keith, that's a good way to do it. You don't see the crazy volatility in your account a little bit more, and that's kind of where I'm shifting into a little bit. 42% on SPY puts. Tyler, there you go. So like right now with these affirms, should I take it here? Maybe. I mean, what are they at right now? 80%. That's not bad. I mean, maybe I'll sell 2 of them and make them free. Charge points are looking good. My Micron puts are looking good too. So we'll see what happens here. Keith, buddy, thank you so much for that generous super. I really appreciate that. 7% on my portfolio in 25 minutes. Thanks, 1348. Join that Discord and hit the like people. Bjorn, I appreciate that, buddy. All right, SPY coming down. 1348 cross back here, crossing below that 200 EMA right now. So we'll see what happens over here. GME getting more crime candles. 82% on Affirm, 62% on ChargePoint, 28% on that free Micron, 30% on the free Micron now. Netflix falling hard. I'm not touching Netflix again. I've had 2 trades on Netflix where they were looking really good, and then they get clapped. Let's see. Rhode Island, thank you so much for being a member, man. I really, really appreciate that. When you sell a put to close, do you adjust the limit sell number or just usually sell at the bid? Picked up 4 contracts on the 5-minute cross on BBBY. I usually mess with it. Oh, that's perfect, dude. You're crushing it over here. You can sell at the bid if you want. If the spread's really wide, though, I wouldn't do that because somebody's like me is coming on the other side of that trade and trying to steal from you. So I would go somewhere in between the bid and the ask and then just keep modifying the order back down. That's what I do. Firm little bounce, charge point. These contracts go in the money yet? No. Since you said PayPal a few minutes ago, my new puts are up 110%. Already made them free? Fucking Christ. Keith, you know those PayPals, buddy? Oh, I mean, that's a good cross right over here. Where are my affirms? They're all right. 165% on Neo puts. Guys, come on. This is silly. We're stealing money today. This is great. You took your Affirm for 60%? Yeah, it's not bad. I'm up 90% over here. Once it hits 100%, I might make it free. Maybe. We'll see. If you sell covered calls on Amy, would that hurt the chances of a squeeze in any way? Not really, no, because technically you've already bought the shit. No, there's no hedging that really needs to take place. So Amy 1462 over here. SPY's moving down. Affirm's coming down. This is crazy. My first ever option. Woo, cost $124. This is fun. I mean, Rhode Island, with your first ever option, if you see a big gain, I would say be careful and take it because you don't want to get into a position where you just randomly start to lose because if you don't see how options move sometimes, they're very, very volatile. Look at Uber. All right, here we go. Hold on. About a cross to the downside over here. That could get interesting. All right, 53% on charge point, 83% on affirm. Let's see. Don't break the rules. Exactly. I don't want to see anybody out here breaking the rules. Uber is coming down right now. All right. YOLO. It's all small trades today, people. All small trades. All right. Probably going to make the affirms free. Oh my God. The affirms are up 105% right now. All right. Affirm, making it free. Let's see what happens here. See if I can get filled at something crazy. All right. Let's see. Wow. They filled me on that. Jeez, man. All right. Well, made the affirms free. Got in on a little Uber play. I've got a free affirm contract going into the end of the day today, and I've got charge point up 65%. The microns are doing good. Uber's coming down a little bit. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. No, if we got out when the MACD and RSI indicator started to curl, made like $10, but really could have made way more. See my last super. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, you're getting in quick. Yeah, I gotcha. All right, so these Uber puts are looking good here. I'm up 110% on that free affirm. I'm up 40% on the free micron, 71% on charge point right now. I'll probably do something with that soon. Uber flickering around a little bit here, but with the SPY coming down, see, SPY coming down to touch the box here. SPY puts almost in the money. There you go, Tyler. Let's see, Uber flickering. Ooh, my Ubers are going to hit the stop, I think. I still see Uber coming down. Bumble puts up 89%. There you go. SPY testing the 48 on the 30-minute. Yeah, that's probably right around the box level too. Oh, no, it's coming right through it. So, honestly, guys, watch this box level. If it breaks this, SPY's going to come down hard. All right, let's see what we get over here. How did Micron not just absolutely get blasted on that? Oh, GME, more crime candles. Same thing with Amy over here, 1442. That's not fun. All right, Affirm coming down. Uber coming back down. Micron looking all right. Wow, the charge points are looking good. Hold on. Yeah, my charge points just went in the money. All right, I can actually leave a few of these contracts for free right now, but I think I'll YOLO a little bit on the charge point one, see what happens with it. Because those were cheap, and if it moves big, it could go wild. LZ is ripping. What's LZ? Eagle Zoom? Eagle Zoom, 1348 crossing, ripping. All right, SPY coming down below this box level right here. Here we go. Man, if I held all these puts, I would have been a rich man, but it's fine. I'm trying to play it safe and make it free. I have free contracts. It's fine. Especially after this craziness this week, like just protected myself. 75%. All right, Uber's just went green. What's up with Uber? Uber coming down. Let's see a little red to green move over here. I think I have the 30s. Oh, I have the 30/50s. That's not bad. Whoa, Verizon crossed up. Crime candle on GME. All right, people. Let's see what we're gonna get over here. Yeah, guys. Also, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. It helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all your support recently. It helps out a whole lot. Let's see. SPY moving back down here. Charge point. Yeah, these are still in the money. Affirm. Dude, these are dirty. All right. So Amy, 1440, man. That sucks. You're about to bleed out. Help. I've been doing that for like the past 2 months with 1348. That's how I'm helping. Let's see. If you sell covered calls on Amy, would that hurt her? No, I already. No, it won't. It shouldn't. No. Affirm coming down. SPY below the box here. SPY's flat on the day, but Amy's getting attacked. This is what I was talking about in the video yesterday. They're either gonna start attacking it or they're gonna, like, wait and make that divergence a little bit bigger on the shares on loan and the actual shares sold short, and then it just shrinks, and then it rips. All right, affirm near these low SPY's using this box as a little bit of support here, so let's see what happens. The problem is that with these boxes here, all of a sudden the sellers hit it and it goes boom right back down. So you got to be careful with it. Charge point, how's this thing looking? Are they still in the money? Nah, they're pretty much at the money right now. SPY bouncing up a little bit here. Let's see what these are at. Where are the Ubers? That's what I'm curious about. Oh, the Ubers. I got all right, selling the Uber. Wait, where is Uber right now? Where's the 13 on the 1 minute? It's touching it. So let's see what happens here on these Ubers. Looks like your vid was right. They're shorting Amy down. Yeah. That's what happens sometimes. 102% on Affirm, 56% on Charge Point. Did Uber get this closing candle above? All right, let's see what's going to happen here. Let's see. Rhode Island. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. I waited a long time to join you all and say this, but I am printing today. LFG. Thank you, SVN fam. My BBIG is up, or your BBBY is up a bit. Rhode Island. I love to see that, man. Welcome. Welcome. Oh, we got the Mask Gang coming in. What's up, people? So, Mask Gang, you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the way in. All right, I'm about to cut the Ubers right here. Let's see. Yeah, Ubers. Bye-bye. So still up a lot on the charge points and the firms. Let's see here. Let me shoot TMI the link really quickly. Guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys engage with the content as well. Helps get some more people in here. Let's see what we're going to get. Sent a link. All right, people. Yeah, Uber's coming up. SPY's coming up here a little bit. Let's see what happens. I mean, these are on 1 minute charts. Where's a firm? Oh, little head fake on Uber. Firm trying to bounce back up. Amy trying to bounce back up a little bit here. Let's see how SPY wants to react at the lower end of this box over here. All my fake bots are printing. You must have just joined in, buddy, because we had some solid trades this morning, man. Made them all free except for the charge point. The only one that I haven't made free is the charge point. Picked up some more AMC shares today. There you go. There you go. All righty, folks. EV go cross. Interesting. All right, let's see. EV go, is it up or down? Yeah, EV go crossing down. Where's charge point right now? Oh, Amy's getting a nice candle back up. All right, charge point bouncing. SPY's. I don't know. He's always shilling. Oh, I know he is. He's like the big shill over here. Let's see what we're gonna get. SPY week. I'm just watching it at this box zone. So I got stopped out on the Uber. Fine, whatever. I mean, I'm up. It wasn't very much. T moving up slow and steady. Oh yeah. What about Walmart? So T and Walmart. Nah, I don't really like that very much. Walmart is the one that I want. Yeah, Walmart big reds. SPY coming back up a little here. Where's charge point in a firm? Charge point. Oops, that's not really what I wanted to do, but AFRM. Yeah, a firm's not really showing any signs of life over here. $426 calls on the SPY. It's due for a reverse. Not if it just cracks down below this box. If it cracks the box, it's going to be slapped. Pair across down soon. Interesting. GME earnings, I think, are next week. So we'll get those around there. You consistently have puts on hood. There you go. Oh, here comes SPY down below the box here. Watch the low of the day, 425.28. Yeah, it's coming down here. Yeah, there it is. See, right as it breaks this box, it gets cracked down. So, I mean, I probably could have held those Ubers for a little bit. Uber's probably getting cracked now a little bit, but SPY's coming down pretty hard. I mean, this would be SPY put area for me. this would be where I would look for the SPY puts. I mean, maybe I can make charge point free. Charge points are up 75%, 122% on a firm. Not bad. Wait, how much settled cash do I have? Okay, not too much. So let's see what happens with the SPY here. It's kind of down below the box. Firm new lows. Let's see. $1 down on SPY and you'll be in the money. There you go. SPY puts up 56%. There you go. Squirrel. Squirrel. I just feel like it's about to get cracked. I don't know. We'll see. When's Byron coming on? Kelby Covington says, eat the rich. Interesting. Don't you want to be rich someday, buddy? It's kind of a weird statement to make just because these rich people are just being assholes. It's kind of a weird thing to say. Let's see. Charge point's looking good. The free micron's looking good. The affirm's looking really good. So printing, there you go, buddy. Exxon crossing up. Interesting. All right, let's see. Uber, did it bounce back up? I think it did. I mean, I'm kind of happy with that Uber sell that I had. Uber's showing a lot of strength. Yeah, no, yeah, that was good. So I cut the loss on the Uber. No idea what is happening, just riding the wave. Yeah, this is going crazy over here. Home Depot crossing, which way? Down. Interesting. Tried to short hood at 60 back in August. TD couldn't find the shares. Oh, that's annoying. That's annoying. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. I mean, Amy's coming down, but again, if you're making trades and doing your thing, you're gonna be fine. 13 about to cross the 200 on Micron to the downside. Where is Micron right now? Yeah, my contracts are in the money, so let's see what happens by the end of the day. Uber might go down once the SPY tanks. If it does, though. So SPY right now is getting, where's the 13? Where's the 1 minute 13? Okay, so it's testing the 1 minute 13. Maybe I'll get one SPY put. Like a YOLO SPY put. I don't know here. Let's see. GLD is looking good. Yeah. Hey, Vix, join Rumble. We can listen to you while screen is off for other apps. Just download and try it on Mac. I could maybe do that. Maybe. So Amy's coming down a little bit here. We've got SPY just kind of holding. Not going to get these SPY puts. I don't know. Kind of protecting it today. So, whoa. Charge point. There we go. Let's see here. Kelby, thanks for the super, buddy. I don't want to be rich, just be able to comfortably care for my disabled daughter. That's fair, man. That's very fair. Everybody's going to want different things. You get a YOLO SPY put, I'll get a YOLO SPY call. All right. Byron might be coming on soon. 99% on Affirm, 75% on Charge Point. SPY right at that 13 again. Wheat is coming up. Oh, man, are we really going to trade wheat today? I think I've done it yet. Maybe once. Maybe. Yeah, wheat's coming up. Where's Quad U? Oh, man, this is getting slapped. Let's see. SPY flickering. Exxon looking across. Where's oil right now? Oil is at 108.02, so not bad. Not too bad over here. Let's see. What are we going to get here, folks? So, hold on. SPY rejected again. I don't know. It's getting support at this box, but it does want to come down. So maybe some SPY puts. I don't know. Oh, the Micron put back to life. 116% on a firm. Not bad. Not too bad. Micron. All right. SPY's coming down again. I'm just flipping stuff today. Like, it just flips. $424.85. So it's got some ways to go to make a new low. I think it's going. It's getting that support here. CFVI, is it running? It's coming down. It's running down. New day high on Exxon. Damn. All right, hold on. Exxon crossing up here. All right, that's what I'll do. All right. I got a little baby Exxon play. SPY's moving down a little bit. Oil's coming back up. The buyers are stepping in on Exxon right now. Let's see what happens. This is a setup that I like. So it did make this little high earlier. Now it's got a 1348 cross, closing candle above the 200 and over the previous day high. I do like that. That does look all right, but let's see what happens with it. Uber coming back down. Nice. I mean, I just didn't really want the Uber. It hit the stop. So let's see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Charge point. Charge point coming down pretty big here. 145% on a firm. Looking good today, people. Looking freaking good today. Yeah, the Exxons are down a little bit here. Let's see. Yeah, the charge points are up 103% right now. I didn't go very big on it. I haven't gone very big on anything today. I'm just trying to stack cash back up. You're holding Uber. You'll believe it. It'll tank when the SPY comes down. Yeah, I agree with you. I just didn't like the stop. I didn't like where it went. 112% on charge point. Not bad. 150% on a firm. So the only thing that I haven't made free today is the charge point. Exxon's coming back down. So this is a little shark fin over here. I think. Let's see. I don't know. It's still within the stop. I'll kind of just let it go for a bit. See what happens. Tucker Carlson did a piece on retail investors and GME like recently. That's pretty interesting. Did you see TMI's response to Lou taking shots at him? TMI was professional. It didn't stoop. Yeah. TMI is good at that. I would have said, go fuck yourself. If y'all ever see you, it's going to be an issue. If that was said to me, I would not be as relaxed as that. But good for him. I watched some of it. That was a really good video. Let's see. Amy coming down 1434. Let's see. All right. Exxon 2-day highs here. Looking good over here. These contracts probably just went back into the green. Not bad. Let's see. Yeah. Exxon contracts up 8%. Charge point puts up 143%. 178% on a firm. Woo! Throw it in the Discord, baby. Printing today. Let's see. There we go, people. All right. SPY doing its thing over here. All right. The Exxons are up like 5%. Charge points are up good. So let's see what we're going to get over here, people. Exxon's coming up. Damn. Another good trade. Oil barons again, I guess, today, huh? I guess we're just oil baroning it up today. Oh, I see you guys coming in here throwing in your games. Oh. Wait, is this the right one? There we go, everybody. All right, the Exxons are looking really good here. All right, people, make sure you guys, as you're filtering in, hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. Again, AMC's coming down. We are trading, making money, trying to offset some of these losses. As an AMC investor, we have done nothing but help YouTubers get their careers started. Cool, Austin. How many people are printing over here today? Like, what are you trying to do here? If you're gonna sit there and not listen to the things that we're saying, like over and over and over and over and over and over and over, like whose fault is that? It's not mine. Like how like I'm trying to help you, and then you're just saying no, and then fuck you. Like, come on, this is silly. Exxon up 20%, 143% on ChargePoint, 196% on Affirm. Nobody is selling AMC. You're right. It's just following the market today. And there's a boatload of shares that they can use to short it. SPY's coming down here. 19% on these Exxons, 159% on ChargePoint, 200% on Affirm. So if you got any of those today, you're printing. Micron, ChargePoint, Affirm, Exxon, like, come on. I'm printing. There you go. I needed a good day today, and today is that day. Thanks, STV and 1348. There you go, man. Bro, thanks to SVTMI and Gabe, I made thousands of dollars while continuing to hold my AMC. Sorry, you, yeah. All right, Exxon. Where's Affirm? Oops, where's Affirm right now? Firm selling. ChargePoint, what's this thing doing? Oops, ChargePoint. Yeah, this looks good. Up 100% on Tesla puts. There you go, man. 202% on Affirm. I mean, I could have held it, but it's free. This market's crazy. So the Micron free puts up 17% now. Guess you sold Affirm early. I mean, technically I did too. I just made it for, I wanted to make sure that I got some, the money back. Green on 7 out of 7 trades so far today. Thanks, 1348. Stepping up to the big leagues is worth it. There you go, Mike. Let's see here. 211% on Affirm now. Printing. Oh, I heard it. Bloop, bloop.
Bloop.
Hello.
What up, buddy?
Not much, man. How you doing?
Chilling. I had to take the puppy out for a quick walk and a bit rambunctious today.
There you go.
Oh, market's still bleeding. Okay. Markets are still bleeding.
Puts are printing today.
Oh, I played Amazon puts today.
Oh, there you go, buddy.
I got out at 65%. I saw them hit 100. By the time I went to sell it, it already went back down to 65%.
Nice. Yeah, we had I had a free Micron put from yesterday that I'm holding. Then I got into, so I have a free Micron 74. I got some more 75s today. Sold made them free. Then I sold the last one. Made the Affirms free. Those are up 200%.
Dropped at open.
Which one? Micron? Dude, it was crazy. It was just like elevator.
And it dropped even lower than yesterday's lows.
Yeah.
So I think what time you came on yesterday, and I think up until the end of the day, it was guessed perfectly. It was like, it's going to come back up to come back down. And it did exactly that, like we were saying. And then at the end of the day, it just like, doop. I was just like, oh, no.
I held some of them. I already made it free. Dude, the SPY put that I was holding, I was just screaming. And then I got calls, and then I made like 10%. And I was like, this is stupid. I'm out.
Did you hold them to today?
The SPY calls? No.
No, the puts.
I only have that one Micron put for today. And that's
dude,
I should have held these Affirmed. They're up 222%. I mean, it's the free
calls or puts?
Puts. The charge points are up 125%. I do have Exxon calls too. 17%.
Oh my God. Affirm just got slapped.
Yeah. That's a textbook 1348 right there.
That is a slacking.
Dude, so Rhode Island started trading 1348 today. First trade, Bed Bath & Beyond, 242%. And he's asking if he's being greedy. Yes, you're being greedy.
That is gangster as all hell.
That is cake.
Dude. Gangster. 320% on AFRM from Ada II.
Wait, what? Ada, there we go. Make that cake, not your problem. Some people are too stupid to find a passive income. All right, smack the ass. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. But dude, this is kind of one of those days where like the market's kind of trending back to where we could trade it. Like if you're swinging stuff for any longer period of time and you're not just scalping really quickly, like this market's looking decent.
No, I like. Yeah, the downside of like I don't know, huge swings like this in the first little bit are easy to make money. Like there's gonna be a point in time where I think there's gonna be a SPY call to be made, and it could come in the next 20 minutes. Where I'm gonna scalp that jump, and it's gonna pay. Like a firm, I'm looking at this like okay, this could also bounce today. It filled up the gap that it had, I think, from the third, and now it could be on its way back up. Now that gap's filled, I think it's on its way back up, and now it's just gonna run.
It could. I have the 35.50s for today.
The 35.50. Oh, so they're way in the money.
Yeah, but I already made it free. That's the thing. Like I'm already out with money. This could go to zero.
Go down more?
Good. I'm not gonna let it go to zero, but
like the volatility might just take that. Is it for today?
Yeah.
You might want to take that bad boy off the table. Oh wait, hold on. Is that the last cash you have?
No, I got some settle cash left.
Yeah, maybe you want to take it off the table. Maybe.
It's a good one. I still haven't made the charge point free yet. I might do that soon.
Charge point, how they doing? Charge point. This is looking rough. Yeah, I scooped up some AMC shares on the low today.
There you go, buddy. Tim, thanks to the super buddy.
Bottom ticket, but SPY's popping back up a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. I'll take this affirm right here. YOLO.
Yeah, because that theta is just going to decay. I'm just like the volatility of that drop
right now. It's not bad. All right, let's see if I can steal. Let me see if I can steal. I stole the first one. Let me see if I'll steal it.
That's I love it.
Counselor Murray, what up, fellas? Great day to be an ape. Take a break from watching the market.
Counselor Murray, what's going on, my guy?
If fear is setting in, go jog or something. That's fair, man. Just go for a walk.
I did go for a walk. I think it's right. I think fear can set in. You can go for a walk and you can still make money on the downside. You can.
Yeah. Oh my God.
They do all of the above.
Dude, a firm is one of those where you can just steal them. Like, because the spreads are wide, you'll just put in up near the ask and somebody will just hit it. And you'll just be like, thanks.
I think for Amazon too, I have never held, like I traded Amazon for the last 2 days now.
Yeah.
The bid ask spreads are like $30 apart. No matter what I put it in, it gets bought up immediately.
Interesting.
Like no matter what you put it in there. So I just put it close as low as I want. Like as long as it's a few cents off.
Yeah.
It gets bought up.
I know. Hold on. I'm getting a call from like a weird location that I know someone in. I just got a hold of me. It's real quick.
You know who that is? That's the girl. What's her name again? Oh, I forget what her name is.
Hello, this is Chad with your Medicare.
Stupid Chad. I thought it was what's that girl's name again? The one that was always chumming me into the live chat.
Which one? Oh, Mandy.
I thought it was Mandy.
Dude, we haven't seen Mandy in a minute.
Mandy's here somewhere. INPP. Holy shit.
That one's interesting.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Exxon.
Everything started off so good today, and now look at it. It's all red. It's all going to shit.
I know.
Just as expected.
I know.
COVID was shit. Shouldn't say that on the stream. My bad.
I feel like we're past that now.
Yeah, I don't want to risk it on your channel just in case.
And nothing's ever happened to me. Yeah.
Oh, the F word doesn't matter.
Yeah, they don't care.
No, the F word doesn't matter. Just in case. Where's Shonda? I don't know, man. I don't know. Hopefully she's coming back soon.
Who's Shonda?
Shonda Rhimes. She's the crystal ball lady.
Oh, gotcha.
All right, buddy. I'm gonna hop out. I'll catch you guys in a bit.
Later, buddy. Have some fun. Let's make some money today.
Enjoy the morning. Yeah, I feel like ATXI. I don't know who said ATXI, but that shit is dropping today.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't know why. It popped up early this morning, but it's a super low float stock. Like, be very careful.
I don't like the pennies. I just don't. Anything under like $5, it's like, unless I know something about it.
you have to know something, or you have to know that there's a lot of people that know something, like a momentum play.
Right.
All right, guys, enjoy. Don't forget to engage with the video. Smash that like button or your mother's a chicken.
Thanks, buddy.
Deuces.
Peace. All righty, people. You heard the man. Make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Ethan, thank you so much for the super, buddy. TMI, remind me of your next stream. Got to drop a super for the great response to L star. Interesting. You were the big. Oh, yeah. That was a good one. Mr. J. Thanks for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. How's AMC doing today? Well, it's coming down hard. All right. So SPY came back up to test that 48. Coming back down. The charge points are up 130%. My Exxons went a little bit red, almost hit the stop, and are now coming back up. So the charge points are still looking really good. Jazz Cabbage, thank you so much for being a member, buddy. Seen a lot of 1348 hype. Got to cram all the info into my brain this weekend so I can start trading options by next week. I've been hesitant. Yeah, man. I mean, that's why we've been offering all those free trials and stuff for the people that are hesitant. I mean, that last free trial that we're going to be doing for a while is ending today. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys check out the link in the top of the live chat over here. I mean, look at this, 1348 cross, no down below the 200 EMA, printing. If affirm right here, another example of one. This is a dirty one. Cross down, you get this candle over here, printing. So I'm out of my affirm trade over here. Made a decent amount of money. It's pretty good. Holy DraftKings. What's up with DraftKings? Yeah, see, that's another one. DraftKings cross down here. I mean, you kind of get screwed out around this when it comes back up. You probably hit the stop, then it comes back down. If you're willing to hold it or you're trading in the money contracts, you're good to go on this one. Sells off hard. SPY coming down a little bit again here. Charge point selling off. GME, more crime candles over here. Micron probably still coming down as well. Those free contracts are looking solid. Micron's been doing this where it drops right in the morning and then just kind of hangs out. Let's see if it's going to make a new low here. If it doesn't, I'll take that free contract off the table. Where's that charge point? Charge point, new lows. There it is. Exxon, is this holding up or is this selling off too? Exxon looking all right over here. That's not bad. CVX got a 15-minute cross. Exxon's about to. I like that. Missed my $5 banger. No, I saw it. I read it a little. Let me see it. It's right back here. Make that cake, Vixie, not your problem. Some people are too stupid to find passive income. I saw that one. Biden talking right now. Look out below. Is charge point down? I'm driving. Yes, charge point is down a lot. Charge point's down 5.6%. It's making new lows as we're what do you call it? As we're talking. Uber down. Yeah, Uber was like a DraftKings. So, I mean, I got stopped out a little bit. So Uber is coming down. It's not that crazy. DraftKings would be one that I might touch. I'm just late on it, like very late on this. So I don't know if I'm going to touch that. Maybe I'll save some settled cash for later in the day today. I'm up 9% on the Exxons, 162% on the charge point. Microns are up 44%. I mean, we're printing over here, people. We're doing great. Keeping on SPY 15-minute going down. Yeah, I was thinking about SPY puts. I was kind of thinking about some SPY puts. Charge point. Dude, we've traded the shit out of charge point this week. All right, DraftKings selling here. SPY kind of holding. Let's see. Where's Micron? Is this making new lows yet or no? It's coming down. Let's see. Smack the ass. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. What's good, TMI and Vixie? Doing good. Stop scheming. Oh, I am scheming. I'm never going to stop scheming. 600 value of death. I'm scheming trading over here. Let's see. Jazz Cabbage, thank you so much for the super. My thing is more so getting familiar with the user interface on these apps and platforms. It's just all slightly daunting, but that's exactly what they want. Yeah, sort of. I mean, you'll be all right with it once you figure it out. Like, it's not, once you get the flow of it, that's why I like trading on my phone, because I'm really quick. I can go in and out, modify orders, really, really easy, quick. GME 95.65 down 4.8% over here, or what is it? 4.9% now. Amy's at 14.47. Micron's selling off here, looking like it wants to make a new low. SPY's coming down again. Biden speaking now. Yeah. Okay, where's Lockheed? Is Lockheed running off of that? Not really. Let's see what we got over here. Exxon, how's this doing? Exxon not really doing a whole lot right now. Charge point, new lows. No, not yet. Biden urges U.S. allies to suspend normal trade with Russia. Interesting. 7% on the Exxon, 156% on the charge point, 39% on the free Micron. That's not bad. That's not bad, man. Biden speaking. Yeah, that's fine. We just need to, we'll get the news. Don't worry. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. It's all I ask for. It helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have done it. It helps out a whole lot supporting the channel. Thank you guys. Can we get an Ortex, please, on Amy? Yeah, you can. Let's see here. AMC, what are we going to get here, folks? So we got 100% utilization, 1.27% average cost to borrow, 20.59% estimated short interest, 106 million. Wait. Oh, hold on. 106 million shares estimated to be sold short. Biden to ban imports of Russia's seafood, alcohol, and diamonds. Putin is the aggressor, must pay the price. G7 to denying Russia borrowing privileges, multi-material. Okay, so I'm looking for uranium here. That's what I'm looking for. Any type of move, and spies popping here. Quad U, what's this doing? Quad U is just selling off a little bit here today. Let's see what we're going to get over here. U.S. break-even inflation rates rise to new multi-year highs. 8% on the Exxon. Exxon's flickering. The Exxons are flickering. SPY coming back up to the lower end of the box over here. Quad U doing its thing. Charge point. Let's see what we get over here on charge point. Ooh, charge point, little bounce. Little bounce here. Let's see. Yeah, I know he's talking. Biden G7 to further target Russian kleptocracy. That's a weird term. I've never heard that before. Biden banning exports of luxury goods to Russia. Yeah, I know he's talking. I'm getting the updates. You guys just freak out every single time. All right, Exxon's coming up here. New highs? Yeah, almost new highs on Exxon. Up 21% on these contracts. Let's see. I went a little bit bigger on these Exxons, so let's see what happens with this. What's the strike? 80. Okay, so I have the 86. Yeah, here we go. Exxon's running up here. 31% on the Exxon's not bad. 140% on the charge point, 35% on the micron. Doing good. We haven't gotten anything. Wow, hold on. Exxon, here it goes. Here it goes. 37% on these contracts. There we go. Just a heads up. Wasn't aware. You already know? Yeah, I got it. I'm getting the updates right here. U.S. to issue guidance on sanctions evasion through virtual foreign FX. Yeah. So let's see what we're going to get here. Exxon's ripping. SPY back into the box over here. 31%. All right. So we're looking solid across the board, people. UVXY looks like it's getting ready to drop or pop. All right. Exxon, my contracts look like they want to go in the money on Exxon. That would be pretty sweet. Let's see here, folks. So SPY's trying to come up. 20. Ooh, Exxon flickering. 137% on charge point. I mean, I'm going to make that free. I'm making the charge points free right now. I have 7 contracts. I'll sell 4 of them. Let's see if they'll fill me on this. 35, 37. Okay, so I made the charge points free. I'm going to hold those until the end of the day. Got the money back on it. Riding out the Exxons. Still have charge point up 137%. Still have the micron. So let's see what happens here. Pull up Exxon. Take a look at this. Exxon coming down a little here. Where's oil? WTI crude's up 2%. That's not bad. I think Exxon can be a little spicy. Ask yourself why nobody wants a share count. Who the hell said that? Who said nobody wants a share count? Biden looking forward to signing bill with additional Ukraine money. Do work and hit the likes. Suray, I appreciate that. The volume on AMC shows people are losing interest. The OBV says the exact opposite. All right, so I like that. Make it free on charge point. Biden, we will not fight wars against Russia and Ukraine. Let's see here. All right, everybody. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in, too. Helps get some more people in here. Let's see. Sold 1 Neo put for a 200% gain, making my puts free. Last put's up 260%. There you go, man. I mean, where else are you going to be able to do that? All right. The Exxons are flickering here. So let's see if Exxon's going to go on a little. I think it's going to be decent. What's it? You guys were saying on the 15. What about on the 30-minute chart? It's about to get across. Okay, so it just got a little cross on this 30-minute chart over here. A lot of green candles shooting off on Exxon. I think you guys are talking about the 15-minute though. Yeah, about to cross up on the 15-minute. So we can look at this a little bit here. T, what's up with T? Is it running again? It's slowly making its way up here. So AT&T is just slowly stair-stepping its way up. Let's see. Let's see. What do we got here? All right. The Exxons just went a little bit red. Charge points are up 109%. The Micron's up 32%. Let's see what happens with the SPY and Micron. How's Micron looking over here? I mean, it's coming down. Crypto coming back? Interesting. Okay. So crypto's going to come back. We could see some things start to move over here soon. Short interest declining. I mean, you're wrong. You're wrong. It's hovering. It's at 20.59% right now. So I don't know what you're talking about here. It's just flickering. It's not like it dropped because it would make no sense if it would drop. A lot of shills in here today. It's very SPY pop. Micron not moving yet. Exxon's about to stop me out. Let's see what happens here. Testing that 13. Biden's done. Okay, interesting. Everything is all options now because options cause run-ups. Do you not? Nobody's listening. Nobody's listening. Let's see. Ethan, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Thanks, STV. Appreciate the work ethic, being on the daily despite school. I appreciate that, man. Thank you. All right. The charge points are only up 87% now. The Micron's only up 15. Yeah, these Exxons are going to get me, I think. I should have cut them, I think. Let's see if we get a bounce here. Let's see. All right. At the money calls. Exactly. LMT running or tanking? Lockheed's running. Lockheed is running. I'm not touching Lockheed today, though. Not for me. All right. Micron. Little bounce here. Nothing too crazy, though. Gary needs to be fired. The only thing that Gary would do is give him a fucking fine. Literally a fine. You want the DOJ and new rules to come in, or you want the actual company eventually to prove that there's no longer any like reason to be short the company anymore in the way that they currently are. So a lot of people are just not understanding what's going on here. They just don't get it. So here's the deal. Lay it out completely simple for you. This is kind of where we're at right now. Ready? Still very high short interest in the stock. Cool. You're in it for a short squeeze. There's really high short interest in it. Check. All right, next. Now, you have a company that's continuously getting better fundamentally. Okay, cool. So people are going to say it's not about fundamentals. It is, because then they're going to also scream about dividends. Okay, so check. Fundamentals getting better. The SEC is trying, but they're not really going to be able to do anything. The DOJ is investigating these short sellers. Is that going to do anything? Yeah, it's not going to cause them to close their positions, but it could cause them to like start to move differently a little bit. So other than that, what are you really worried about? Like I've said before, I was saying this when we were at 40. It does not matter for me personally where the price goes. It could be at 40 or it could be at 20. If it hasn't run yet and the situation stays the same, there's no reason for me to get out. And I will stick to that because that's how I feel about it. You can feel any differently about it. It's perfectly fine. But if you don't like it anymore, just leave. Like, that's all it is. If you're worried about it, we've given you the tools to make money on the side with 1348 every day. I mean, like, what else? We can't move the stock. We can't control what's going to happen with it. This was born of corruption. Now it's fundamentals. No, that's not how it works, man. That's just not how it works. Para cross up. Interesting. All right. Exxon's around the stop right here. What's up with Exxon? Affirm still going down. Yeah, I cut it out. I cut it, so that's fine. I mean, that was a really, really solid trade. All right, so the Micron's flickering here. I'll take that free Micron off the table. I'll take it back. Thank you, Micron. So riding out these charge points, seeing what's going to happen with Exxon. Still got some settled cash left. Oh, this is Exxon right here. Let's see. GME bouncing. Micron was my big play of the day. Made a quick $500. Alexander. There you go. All right. So the Exxons are coming down a little bit. If it breaks this 13 EMA and closes below it, I'll get out. It's past the stop a little bit here, but I didn't go very big on it. So that let's see. SPY's moving up here a little bit. Let's see here. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. We're all in this together. We're not going anywhere. We're like not going anywhere. Yeah, it sucks to see the price go down. But if you're making money on the side and then you still understand the situation, I mean, in my mind, there's no reason to freak out. I'm fine with holding this company for years. 390% on a Neo put, 1348 for the win. There you go, man. I mean, if you're still concerned, make sure you guys check out that link to the top for the Discord over there. That's how you're going to be able to help yourself. All right. Exxon still coming down a little bit here. Let's see. Exxon. SPY's coming back up here. All right. Still up 75% on these charge points. I might take it here. Yeah, I think I'll take these charge points right here. Right. Where is it? Right. Yeah. Exxon coming down. I'm selling these Exxons. And then I'll ditch the charge point too. All right. So I sold the charge point. Very, very solid trading day so far. Very, very, very solid. Got paid today, bought 100 more AMC. There you go, man. Idle settle cash. Have 2 Micron runners at 300%. Done for the day with 1,500 in profit. Squirrel. There you go, buddy. Yeah, so the one loss that I took, or no, we took 2 losses today. Uber and Exxon. And then the Affirm, ChargePoint, Micron, those all knocked it out of the park. Read your comment above. Ryan, I got you, buddy. Have you watched Lou's videos? They're not as bad as everyone makes that. He's a New Yorker. They don't understand him, but his Trust Me Bro sucks. But he does provide stuff. Ryan, I 100% disagree with you on that one, buddy. I think what he provides is encouragement sometimes and storytelling to keep people engaged with the community. But I think most of the information that he provides, he's just talking out of his rear end. I don't think he really knows what he's talking about. Sometimes, Ryan, I agree. Sometimes it's like, okay, that could be true, and it's good theory and stuff like that. Like he really is like good at captivating an audience, which is good for people keeping interested in AMC. But when you go on tilt and like go say crazy things, which we were all worried was going to happen eventually, like it's hard to listen to. I'm green 3 for 3 today. There you go, DM. Some people don't have that long. They won't wait for years. Well, then that's not like, that's just the reality of the situation. You'll unsub from TMI and SCV before Lou. See ya. It's fine with me, buddy. Let's see. But he brings other intangibles to the table. Oh, I 100% agree. I 100% agree. The stories are good. I think it captivates people and keeps people interested in AMC. I think that's a good thing to have in the community. Cash count, and I'm 2 for 2. No more PDT. There you go, buddy. Can we get back to 1348 now, please? I need help. Yes, Scott, we can get back to 1348 now. What do you need? What do you need, bud? Uber Sharkfin, possible cross up coming? Maybe. I mean, I did play Uber. It didn't really, I just didn't like it. Took my small 40% gains today. First 1348 day in the green. There you go, buddy. Let's see. So Amy, little 5-minute MACD cross here, trying to come up. Spy, trying to. HYMC running for real. Yeah, this thing's running up again. A firm broke 33. Jesus. Please read your comments. Scott, I'm reading your comments right now. Jamie dropped $2 in pre-market based on 2 shares. That's bullshit. All right, Amy's trying to come back here. It's fighting. It's fighting. I don't know. Maybe an Amy call for next week could be the interesting. What I'm trying to get at is don't let people draw you into the drama with Lou. It's misinformation, and YouTubers are now fighting with them on Twitter. Oh, that's fine. I'm not gonna fight with them on Twitter. I don't have the energy to deal with that. I just don't. If you guys ask me questions about it, I'll give you my opinion on it. But other than that, like, I'm not going to go have fun and talk to him on Twitter. Like, I don't care. Tim, thank you so much for the super, buddy. If earnings land on March 3rd, I play one way. There you go, buddy. All right. Anything crossing over here? Where's Scott? Does Scott have a question again? Where's Scott? Please read your comments. I am reading your comments, buddy. Why am I getting day trader warnings in a settled cash account? Well, you might not be in a cash account. Maybe you're getting liquidation warnings. Maybe you're getting good faith violation warnings. I'm not sure what's going on there. HYMC is coming back up here. SPY's starting to move up here. SPY is starting to kind of climb back up here. Rivian. HYMC is running. Okay, Rivian, maybe AMD. Oh, AMD's trying here. Disca News. Nothing on Disco right here. Yeah, AMD's moving up. SPY is starting to come up here a little bit. 1348 cross on. Wait, this is the 1 minute on the SPY? Sorry. Yeah, so that was the 1 minute on the SPY. It's not getting across yet. It's coming up above that 200 EMA, though. You're up 13% on SPY calls for today. Mitch, attaboy. Does TradingView not have a 1348 indicator? Well, there's not like a built-in one, but you have to put on the 13 and 48 EMAs on it, and then you're good to go. SPY 920 crossing. How much do you trust the 920? Let's look. What time frame is it? On the 5 minute, it's not crossing. On the 3 minute, it might be. The 3 minute, it's close. So I'll wait for the 920. We can wait for the 5 minute one to cross. That'll probably, you'll be a little bit late on it. I don't know. I mean, in order to confirm the move, you could be good over there. I mean, I'll wait. Docu ripped down. Docu had bad earnings again. Biden's about to speak. That's why everything's slowly going up. I thought he already spoke. Yeah, so I think Biden already spoke. So Disco doing its thing. SPY trying here. Where's AMD? Not looking too bad. Make it make sense on the drop. Ready? 127 million shares on loan. 106 million shares sold short. They got 21 million shares to use. Yeah, he already spoke. So let's see here. AMD not really doing anything. What about like DraftKings? DraftKings still down, man. Where's a firm? Did a firm come back to life? No, a firm just bleeding out. Man, that would have been good to hold that for the whole position, but it's fine. Neon supply squeeze. Yeah, see that we were looking at Neon stocks this morning. I couldn't find any. This is Neonode, but this thing is not Neon, I don't think. AEO, 108% institutional ownership with 18% of the float shorted. What do I think? I wouldn't go chasing short squeeze plays. I just wouldn't do it. I'd focus more on 1348 and trading than trying to hit a home run with all like random short squeeze plays. Did I get out of the micron puts? I got out of all of my micron puts. Yeah. I don't have any more micron puts. Sold them all. Why are people still surprised when AMC gets clapped? This isn't anything new. It's heavily shorted and manipulated. Exactly. That's how I view it. Remember that time between like March and April and even February of last year when everybody was just like, is it a dead cat? Is it going to go? Everybody, the FUD was spreading around. What was going to go on? There's offerings, blah, 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 blah. Feels kind of similar to that in my mind. Think this is a fake out on the SPY? It could be. I don't know. I don't see any crazy news coming in. Let me take a look. Discovery stockholders approve proposals related to Discovery acquisition of Warner Media. So I saw that was 3 minutes ago, and Disca's not really moving on it. Get in on Dia. What's Dia? A Dow? No thanks. TMC, the metals one, it's popping. Yeah, you were talking about that earlier. Yeah. So this thing's getting a little 1348 cross here, but it's got this crap over here. I don't like this. 1348 crosses like with this right here, and it isn't. I like 1348 crosses when I see a new day high or a new day low. That's where I like them. Oracle boom. Yep. Oracle 1348 cross. Maybe a small play on Oracle. It's after earnings too. It's only up 0.61%. Goes up $1. That's not bad. All right, let's see here. I'm just trying to think. It's got the cross. SPY's coming up. It's kind of moving with the SPY. Huh. LMT is your play then? Nah, I don't want Lockheed today. I already have Lockheed calls. Let's see. I don't know. You're up 100% on your HYMC calls? There you go, man. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to play this Oracle. The spreads are wide. They're flickering around all over the place. No, thank you. Quad U flickering around. All right, let's see here. Printing on Dia right now. Should have listened. It's not moving that much, man. Unless you bought it down here on the bounce of this, then you're making a little bit of money, but well, premium's a little cheaper. That's not bad. Uber's trying to cross up. Interesting. My YOLO calls from an AMC was at the bottom are looking nutty. There you go. Yeah, I mean, I was thinking about it. It usually bounces off these levels. Like we've seen it so many times. I might get something for next week, but like a close to the money one. Oh, you caught it at the bottom? Gotcha. There you go. That's perfect. That's perfect, man. All right, so let's see what we're going to get here. This is Dia over here. We got SPY coming up. We don't really need Dia right here. Where's Lucid? Lucid selling again. We don't really need more volume. We need buying pressure. We need buyers to hit the ask. That's what we need. Let's see. Yeah, so if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot, getting some more people in here. Let's see. I mean, we are making money over here. Exxon back to life. I'm not going to touch it again today, but yeah, it is bouncing a little bit here. These would have been down like 60% if I let it go to here. So Balzac formation, that's pretty crazy. The trading view indicator is Doric 1348 EMA cross. I just like having the 1348 on there, like the EMAs. I think it's a lot easier. $920 on the 5 minute on the SPY has not happened. On the 3 minute, it's about to. And the STC on the 5 just signaled buy. I don't want to YOLO anything, but I do want to get some more exposure today. Rhode Island, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. Sold BBBY puts for 245%. Looking for the first call now. Rhode Island, dude, I love that. I love that you're making money, dude. Duck raid inbound. Ho, ho, ho. What's up, Ducks? How you guys doing? Oxy, what's Oxy doing? Let's see here. All right, so we've got SPY flickering a little bit. Duck gang incoming. What's up, people? How you guys doing? Average down to 1485 on AMC today after playing puts. Well, that's not really what we suggest to do, buying puts on AMC, because then the market maker is short. And then, but I mean, you're going to do what you want to do with your money at the end of the day. Let's see what we got for news. Russia's bioweapons claims before UN are lies, says the French. Interesting. Hyatt suspending development activities on any new investments in Russia. Okay. Oxy trying to move up here a little bit. SPY just kind of flickering around a little bit here. Let's see. Mods, let's play Duck Hunter. No. Smash that like, ladies and gents. William or Matthew, sorry, I can't read. I appreciate that. Could you say in options that your breakdown is premium plus strike, roughly speaking? That your break even is premium plus strike? No, roughly speaking, no, that is what the break even is. On expiration, that is what break even is. All right, people, let's see what we're going to get over here. We got SPY trying to move up a little tiny bit. Here comes the Duck Gang, XDeath0. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Guys, Duck Gang, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. We've had some very, very, very successful trades this morning so far. We had Micron, we had Affirm, we had ChargePoint. Stopped out on the Exxon and the Uber, but other than that, looking really, really solid today. So SPY, it's flickering here. I don't see anything really going crazy on the crosses. I mean, we made our money in the morning. Let's see what happens going into the afternoon with the last of the settled cash. Let's see. DraftKings looking sellish. Yeah, it was a little bit here. Is it below 17 yet? Yeah, it's coming down. Interesting. So SPY is now back into this box zone over here. See what we're going to get. Who is Duck Gang? I think that's Matt's piece. So Matt must have just ended his stream. Thank you so much for clarifying for me. You're such a great person. Thank you. Well, just because I clarified something for you doesn't mean I'm a good person. Any news on uranium yet? Now I've got that strangle for next week. It's not very big, but let's see what happens with it. I've got some like deep out of the money puts, tiny trade. And then I've got some calls that are like right at the money-ish. I don't think they're at the money anymore. They were in the money yesterday, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, no news on uranium. Duck Gang, what's up, people? Let's see here. Ford puts? What's up with Ford? I probably wouldn't, no. SPY's is like stagnant here. It's just kind of flattening out. SCP is chaotic evil? No. All right, people, what are we going to get over here? How to use the MACD to decide when to exit a trade? You can use it on different time frames, but like if you were playing SPY puts down here, like, and you just got them at open, and then you get this MACD crossover here, like right when it comes back into the box. I mean, you made a bunch of money. Can you help me to see if Etsy will bounce? I mean, I have no idea. It could with the market doing what it's doing right now. So let's see. Etsy. Probably not today. This just looks like Micron's chart. Like, look at Micron over here. Look at Etsy and then look at Micron. Same thing. How do you keep track of all the tickers that enter? It's so overwhelming for me. I don't know how to find the good plays. You get used to it. It is overwhelming when you're first starting out and you're just like flipping back and forth this stuff. But once you get like a good process of like, all right, this is what I'm looking for. If I don't see this, move on, then you're good to go. Is max pain for AMC still at 17? Let me take a look. It might be 16 or 1650 today. I don't think there's a lot of call buying going on. 1650 today. So a little bit of call buying. Affirm Jesus. Dude, we crushed it on Affirm. I think I took the last contract out at 235%. Damn, dude. All right, could have held him. I mean, whatever. I'm not going back in. Still crushed it with a firm. Uber heading down. Oh, man. I don't really want to get back into it. Nah, I wouldn't touch this. What about Dia? I'm not touching this one. Just I wouldn't touch the SPY here. If I'm gonna touch anything, I kind of get how the SPY moves pretty well, but I wouldn't touch Dia. SPY's coming back down here. You can also make a watch list and see the movement in each stock. That's true. I don't really use a watch list. I just kind of like have a mental note in my head of like what I'm looking for that day, and I just flip it around over here. If I didn't have to stream with you guys, I'd have them on a bunch of on my screen. But I have AMC over here, I have GME down here, and I have SPY down here. So people used to get mad at me for having the SPY chart up. Like, it's crazy. Can I check Apple? Yes. Apple selling off here, no cross. What's it on the 920 though? Three-minute. No, nothing crossing. Got to sell on the 3-minute though on the STC. Same thing on the 5. Let's see here. What's on these nuts? I don't know, Chris. You're being a child. You're being a child. All right, Amy 1471 down about 60 cents, 4%. USO taking off. Oh fuck. Where's Exxon? Yeah, USO ripping. Yeah, oil coming up. Where's Exxon? Yeah, I had the 86s. So those still would have been down or slightly green. Let's see. How come there are no YouTubers screaming diamond hands anymore? I mean, what do you mean? You want me to tell you what to do? That's not how this works. I give you the information, then you decide what you want to do. I'm still in it. I will continue to be in it for as long as it takes. I'm not here to like just hype you up and be like, diamond hands, 100,000, blah, blah. That's not it, bro. That's not how it works. That doesn't help anybody. What helps people is teaching people the way to make money with the 1348. And if you want to buy more AMC, you can create that buying pressure. That's what helps. No, I'm asking why that little trend went by the wayside. What do you mean? Micron coming back down. Yeah, I'm not touching it back to the downside again. Verizon coming up. Can I check on Micron? Yes. So I'm out of Micron completely now. Micron is coming back down. New lows over here. SPY's coming back down. Is steel hands all the way? Oh, Gabe. What's up, buddy? Thanks for the super. Can I jump in and start some shit? All right. Sure. Why not? It's Friday. Let's have some fun. Nothing too crazy, though. But yes, you can come in. Of course you can. Gabe, these people are printing today. These people are printing. Here we go, people. Or you could join the Secret Society of Whales. XYZ. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it is. I seriously have no idea what you're talking about. Quick 20% on a 5-minute lucid put. Bing bong. There you go. 6 for 6. Let's go. David Morgan, atta boy. Gabe says, I know. All right, let's have some fun. Dude, we had today, Gabe. We had a firm 250%. Mercury 48 cross it open down below the 200. Then we had charge point. 48. Then we had Micron. Just printing today. All right, Amy's starting to come back up here. I like it. I like it. All right. Micron's making me a little upset. I did have that free contract that I sold for a little gain. We made a lot on the 75s today, though. Puts are printing. Yeah, they are. What's your opinion on Zella? They had bad earnings today. Everybody was hyping that up to me yesterday. Oh, it's down 25%. See? This is what I was saying. Everybody was coming in here yesterday like, look at Zella, look at Zella, look at Zella. And I'm like, I don't like it. Like, it's just penny stock. It can do whatever it wants. Now it's down 25%. Let's see here. Riot puts are fire. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, you could have hit Riot too. 110% on Lucid puts. Damn. Damn. DD down 37%. Oh, Kramer loves that one. All right, SPY coming down to the lower end of the box here. AMD and NVIDIA going down also. All right. AMD was the other one that I wanted to play, but no cross. I mean, it crossed back here and then came back up. Is Gabe hopping on the stream? He might be. He wanted to come in. I haven't heard the bloop yet. Is an NFT community? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. NFTs. I don't know. NFTs are a little, they make me a little bit hesitant sometimes. Maybe, buddy. Maybe. I'll consider it. SPY flickering. Where is Gabe? I sent him the link just now. Yeah, I sent that to Gabe, right? Yeah, I sent that to Gabe. Good. During pre-market, are you looking at the 5-minute chart? Yes. Can you do the Lou impression? No. Random D, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. Check out LLKKF. I know OTC, but it's a great lithium play. I'm currently up 32% this week. Lake Resources. I mean, it's up big, man. How are we? I mean, these are not for me. They're just not for me. Too manipulated, too crazy, OTC, super low flow. Like, they can manipulate it really, really easily. It's just not, it's not something that I really want to be involved in. But if you're crushing it, good. Just be very, very careful with it. You sent it to the chat. That would be bad. Then everybody's going to start popping into my live stream. And I'm just not going to let anybody in. All right. Exxon, how did that end up doing? Exxon, back down. Where's USO? Is USO still pumping? No, coming back down. SPY coming down below the box here. When playing the 3 to 5 minute charts, how long are you looking to be in the play? It depends. If it goes up really quickly, I'll get out quick, make it free, have some free contracts. But if the trend is saying to stay in it and there's nothing changing, I'll stay in it for a while. Not overnight, but like for most of the day. Let's see, we're getting on news over here. S&P upgrades Kraft Heinz, raises debt ratings, outlook positive. Nice. All right, let's see. Bear flow on SPY options. I mean, it's coming down. I was looking at SPY puts over here, and then I was like, yeah, it's hovering here too much. It didn't crack as much as I thought it was going to. Russia has fired over 800 missiles since the start of the war. That's a lot. It's a lot of missiles. India fired one. They fat fingered it. You're up 52% on a firm. There you go. Did you get the next week? That might be why. $82% on a firm. Sorry. If you blink, you'll miss it. Blink charging. Oh, blink down hard. Neo tanking again. Yep. Jeez, Neo's getting slapped. Riot's getting smoked low of the day again. Yeah, I got out a lot of these puts early. It's fine, though. I mean, I think my trading account today was up like 30% with those. Even after making a lot of those stuff free. HYMC is running. Yeah, still running here. This thing's running up hard. Where does this have a chain? I don't want to, but it's tempting. NQ down 93. Here we go. Ooh, 400% on a firm. Woo! STV, why do you treat me? Yucca, what? You think MU will flush today? I think it's already made a big move. HYMC's ripping right here. I pressed the like button and Gabe appeared with hookers. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. You're up $400 in HYMC, dude. That's awesome. I mean, good for you. Uber Crosstown. It already did, I thought, and then it was just messing around. Yeah, I don't like Uber today on the put side. It just came right back up. Uber's showing a lot of strength today with the market doing what it's doing. Let's see. Ukraine is using surface-to-air missiles to blow up Russian tanks. What is that? That sounds kind of cool. Still got some settled cash left for the day. Let's see what we can do with it. I don't know. Verizon T was doing some stuff in the morning. Is it still slowly coming up? It's trying. You need to get into crypto. There are also smart people in Secret Society of Whales. You buy an NFT, it's basically a pass to Discord. Yeah, a lot of them do it. A lot of them do stuff like that. Like the Discord passes. I mean, maybe I'll take a look at it though. What do you mean by making it free? Okay, so if I'm up a certain amount on a trade, I will sell to get back my initial investment plus a little bit of profit, but leave some on the table as like house money to play with. That's making it free. Oh, bloop, bloop. What's up, buddy?
What's going on?
How you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. It was actually a really good morning for me. And
Dude,
then
me too. Printing.
Printing. So which hooker are you looking at today? Which hooker actually just turned you on at this point?
I really liked Micron in the morning was good. Affirm was really good this morning. And then I had ChargePoint, but I'm out of everything now. I've made everything free, taken the money out, good to go. I have a little bit of settled cash left. If I see something doing something crazy towards the end of the day, I'll do something. But other than that, I mean, already crushed it today.
Yes. I mean, it's already 11 o'clock, right? So expect things to flatline a little bit. David, congratulations. I see it. You guys are just killing it.
Yeah. It's awesome, dude. People, I think the firm ones that we were calling out earlier were up like 400%, somebody said. And I was like,
yeah.
and it was textbook, dude. Look at this right here. Affirm 13 crosses below the 48, comes down below the 200, and then just sell. Like, just like it's too easy.
Let's see. STV got wrench. Hilarious. No. Actually, I was in that play. I probably wrote it halfway through.
Yeah.
You know, my strategy is very, very conservative, but yeah, printed in a big way. So definitely excited for how Friday ends. You know, it's really interesting, right? So you go ahead. Do you watch Meet Kevin at all?
Yes, sometimes. I haven't recently. I've been really busy this week, but I do watch him when something crazy happens.
Yeah. You know, so he has that narrative, you know, like, and I think for the most part, most people do, right? They have the narrative like the market's going to sleep, it's taking a nap, you know, it's a possible recession, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, right?
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, you look at what we're doing as a community, a rather small community, if you will. It's a small community because, you know, compared to the millions that follow me, Kevin. But we do see like people are bucking the trend. No, no, no. Hold on. Let me rephrase that. People are going with the trend in making money. You see?
And it's easy to see it too.
Yes. Very easy to see. The thing is that long-term holders, especially if they're long, they're essentially going against the trend right now. And they're getting beaten the hell up. And that really, really sucks. So that actually brings up the whole thing about, there's a time to hold long, and then there's a time, to have more of like a short to midterm view on stocks. And then, of course, there's always time for 1348. Let's make that money, man.
People will be like, why are you talking about it so much? And it's like, because I'm printing and everybody else is doing good too. And we just want people to make money. Like, that's it. It's like, there are a lot of people that are like, oh, I was hesitant. I came in and then now it's like, holy shit. My guy, Rhode Island today, just loaded up his trading account. He's like, oh, I'm going to try 1348 a little bit. First trade, 250% on Bed Bath & Beyond. It's like, all right.
Yeah. Guys, we talk about it because if you really think about it in the grand scheme of things, of all the financial YouTubers, there's only 3 of us talking about it, really. Right? So you could get on our case, like, why you're talking about it, why you're talking about it. Well, we want to give you guys an opportunity to legit change your life. This isn't snake oil here. No snake oil here, guys. And, it's not like you're required to join our Discord. You are required to add the EMAs to your chart, though. And you can literally apply it to your favorite equity. What we do with our Discord and our community is essentially alert you in real time. So these alerts are actionable. I want you all to tell me of your favorite YouTuber who gives you real actionable alerts.
And not just
getting
like,
alerts.
oh, I'm entering here. Oh, I'm selling here. It's like, that's not teaching you anything.
No, it's not. Once you get hooked on a 1348, guys, it's meant to pique your intellectual curiosity. And then ideally you would go ahead and just say, like, damn, this is cool. What else can I learn? So yeah. All right. You're getting a lot of AMC questions here today, STV. How are you adjusting that, man?
It's just, if you look at even the crazy stupid Ortex data, there's 127 million shares on loan. There's only 106 million shares shorted. Anytime you're going to see a little bit of weakness in the market, like what we've been seeing, they're going to attack it. Like, that's just how it is. Like, people are yelling that like Cinemark is up. And the thing is that, okay, yes, Cinemark now it's not up. People were saying it was up before. It's only down 1%. AMC's down 3.3. The problem is that Cinemark does not have the potential to go fucking nuclear. So when we start to see when we all entered this, it's like, oh, manipulation, fundamentals are not making sense right now with the way that they're shorting this. Nothing makes sense in this. They're over shorting it and we're going to buy it and hopefully it goes up. But they're manipulating it down. So when we see it happen on a day-to-day basis, like I've said all the time, I'm perfectly fine with holding this for as long as I need to. I put in the most amount of money that I could into it that I'm perfectly fine with witnessing all of these crazy fluctuations, and I'm good to go. I'll buy more when I can. And with 1348, if I'm making money on the side and my account ends up green on a day when AMC is down horrendously, I win. And then you can even buy more if you want to.
Yeah. So everybody wants to know about 1348 now. Okay, so let's answer some questions. A little under the weather. Doctors haven't made up their mind. They're saying it's a respiratory infection. I'm like, hey, come on, man. You guys are like troubleshooting me. Like I'm like your fucking Geek Squad. Geek Squad. You really don't know what the fuck's going on. But anyways, so the 1348, I do have videos in the day trading series. However, if you go to the Discord, and mind you, this is free. If you just click the link to the Discord, you will see mandatory. And it's a list of all the videos on how to play the 1348. Also, STV and Short the VIX, we go on Sundays and Mondays and we drill in the concept even further, right? Randy wants to know, is that your 1348 EMA crossover on the trading view? No,
Somebody
it was
made
just...
that.
Somebody made that. Somebody made that. And market maker, keep 1348 free. It is absolutely free. But the alerts, listen, the alerts are real time actionable. There's no reason why that should be free.
Right.
And, you know, keep in mind, guys, severely undervalued when you compare it to other alerts and services that are charging hundreds and thousands a month.
Yeah.
Anybody know how much a Bloomberg terminal costs a year?
24 grand, I think it is. I think Bloomberg's
24,000
24,000.
for real time actionable alerts and news, right? Now, the 1348 and is a little more laser focused on just price action.
Mhm.
So you are going to make money. And the way I see it right now, the cost of 1348 on our Discord, $3.13 is cheaper than a tank of gas. Way cheaper than a tank of gas.
Right. Lynn is saying time to change brokers just got flagged as a day trader, made over $3,500 after taxes, so I don't give a fuck. Recommendations on a good cash account broker? I mean, I like Webull. Webull for options trading is perfect.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Options trading, we love it.
Seems like people are moving off of AMC and jumping into this 1348 instead. Nope, Jim, you're just not listening. That's just what happened. What happened at supporting AMC to keep the price from collapsing 80%? What do you think people are doing with the gains of 1348, Jim? What do you think they're doing? Or do you think they're just sitting around? No, people are buying the dip. You know how many people have come in here and been like, "Oh my god, I just bought like 400 shares of 1348 gains." Like, Jim, what are you doing?
It's really, really wild, and this is crazy. So yesterday, I posted something on Twitter, and I was talking about Amazon way back when, 2008, 2009, right?
Mhm.
Trading at $37, right? And then now it's trading at, it had a peak in 2021 of like 37.73, some shit like that, right? Now, people are like, oh, well, AMC is not Amazon. Don't make that comparison. No, I'm not making a comparison of AMC to Amazon. What I'm saying is it took it took 12 years. If someone had conviction in the stock because they loved the stock, they held that damn thing. They put $34,000. They bought 1,000 shares back in 0809, said they loved the concept of the company, had the vision that Amazon was going to take over the world. And then 12 years later, worth what? $3.4 million. So you would spend, Hyundai Sonata money on a stock to be able to go ahead and have a multi-million-dollar portfolio in 12 years. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not comparing the situations. What I'm saying is that if you believe in something and you truly love something, time doesn't necessarily equate, and it shouldn't. You see, you buy, hold, buy more, and then you go ahead and, let's say, play the 1348. If you need to make money now for yourself now, the 1348 is probably your best proposition. Otherwise, you could jump on StockTwits and Reddit
And just
and jump on
chase.
the next squeeze
Like,
play, right? And then you're sitting there like, how long is this fucking squeeze play gonna take?
right.
you know so I really think that you guys have an incredible opportunity, especially with not only just AMC but with the knowledge that STV is providing you guys, because he does this day in and day out,
Yeah, you
and he
guys see
doesn't
it every
really
day.
need to.
You guys see it every day.
They see it every day, but he doesn't have to do this every day. I mean, 1348 gains for STV outpace what he makes on YouTube. I'm pretty sure of it at this point,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
So all we're doing right now is acting as a messenger. That's it. And no, I'm not gaslighting the kid. We've hung out in person. I'll rip him a new one. I don't give a fuck. um, So Ryan Stout says he does have to do this. No, he should
I
be in
don't have
school
to do
getting a
this.
fucking quality education. That's what he should be doing.
No, I don't want to do that. I like doing this a lot better. I like trading. Because the thing is, like, I think about streaming, like, I could just sit here in my charts all day, just do it by myself. But the reason I started streaming, I was like, I'm literally doing this anyway. I might as well just click the camera and go live.
Yeah, I could definitely see this kid like on some, like, if there was like a news channel that spun off of like a porno kind of thing. I could definitely see you doing that, man.
Just news on what's going on in the adult film industry. That would be funny.
Yeah. So, Oxy, I was looking at Oxy. It was like trading flat. It was like hanging out with the VWAP
Oxy,
for
I'm
some.
kind of done with it. I was 100% spot on with oil this week. I was 100% correct. Oil was going to make a giant move up or down. I just played the wrong thing.
Okay.
Oxy, like the day that oil fell 10%, Oxy was up like 5%, and I was like, shit. So it's down a little today, but when oil went from like 127 to like 110 or 115, like USO was probably the play. You could have played some other stuff too, but it wasn't the I just picked the wrong thing to trade.
Okay. And everyone's talking about Mullen. Mullen. Mullen trading sideways as well.
Yeah, Mullen's down about 9%. I did say if Mullen gets on like a massive tank, I'd buy some, but let's see. I'm gonna wait for it to. Okay, so let's look. Huh. Interesting. 1348 is about to cross down on the 4 hour.
Yes, yes, that's exactly what I'm looking at right now. Yeah.
Let's see.
And on the 5 minute, we're seeing, well, obviously it crossed already, but we see price action below the VWAP. And it looks like it's trying to hang out around VWAP as well.
Yeah. Mullen could be good. There's a lot of nonsense going. Wow, Apple's selling off really hard right now.
Yeah. I mean, what's your long term on Mullen? What do you think long term?
I think it's got potential. They're winning a lot of awards. It's almost like a prove it situation now. Like they just have to prove it. Ooh, Apple's selling. They just have to prove to the market that they are going to be able to succeed. And that's really what it is. Hold on, where's SPY on the 920?
Ooh,
I'm using 920 a little bit more. SPY new lows.
Apple committing suicide right now.
Yeah, Apple's not doing good. Micron dipping again.
Damn.
So
when
not really. It's holding. Where's the 1 minute 13?
And we have the SPY here alerted. No, did not alert. It alerted
there's
the crossover
no cross
pre-market. But again, if you look at the price action of most of the equities today in the market, you'll see that a lot of them are hanging out around VWAP. Like, so when I see price action that's hanging around VWAP, I tend to like not jump in.
Yeah.
It could just go up or down at any given point. So, I wait for the equities to show a trend above the VWAP or below the VWAP with a 1348 crossover.
Right. That makes sense. SPY's getting a little volatile over here. Jeez, this thing looks like it can start selling hard.
Hammer the line. Gabe and Vix, how often do you guys play the 30 and the 4 hour alerts? I'll probably play the 4 hour maybe like once a week. The alerts are not as frequent, as the intraday alerts, but it really just has to make sense. I'm not going to play a 4 hour just to play the 4 hour.
I don't.
The other thing,
I just play the intraday stuff right now. It doesn't make sense to play anything overnight for me unless I'm making stuff free. Like if I have a trade now, what I'm probably going to do is I'll take the trade on the 5 minute. I'll try to make it free. Then I'll look at the 4 hour to see if I actually want to hold that contract, or the 30 minute or something like that, to be like, all right, do I actually want to continue holding this free contract? That's typically what I'll do.
Like absolutely. I definitely agree with you on that. And that's why I haven't really been looking at the 4 hour time frame very much, only because the market is just it's erratic at this point. I mean, in 4 hours, it can pivot. It can pivot, harder than like Lord. LeBron James. It will pivot harder than LeBron James. Like you're like, what the hell just happened? So, um, let's see. Do you swing trade too? Yeah.
You can swing trade
If
with 1348 with the 4-hour. It's just with this market, like you're just gonna see like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and it's just like not worth it. You could get lucky and hit one where the next day, overnight, something crazy happens. But in general, it's like, why do it? If you can make contracts free and then you're like, all right, cool, I'll hold it, see what happens. The 30-minute looks good, the 4-hour looks good. Then you can kind of hold it a little bit more if you kind of want to hold the free contracts. I wouldn't hold like your whole position overnight. I think that's crazy behavior right now.
Yeah, yeah. QQQ and Dumptown. Yeah, that's expected. You're going to see the QQQ and a SPY pretty much. They operate as twins.
Yeah.
Someone's talking about HYMC.
That thing's been ripping. That thing's been going. I don't want to touch it just because it's very, very volatile and it's a little penny stock thing over here. It's like $2.30.
Oh,
Not for me.
all right. Guys, not financial advice. Use the 1348, wait for the cross, and short the shit out of the stock. Wait,
Yeah.
what am I looking at? Is running? Yeah.
This thing's
That's it. That's all you want to do. If you guys sit there and say, damn, I missed a run, don't be tempted to chase it.
Right.
That makes no sense, right? At some point there's going to be profit taking.
Mm-hmm.
People are going
towards the
to
end of the
take
day,
their
too.
profits. Yeah.
Rhode Island says, thank you, RDSTV and TMI, for taking my options trading virginity 1-for-1. Perfect record. Now I'll be free rolling in the preview Discord. Appreciate you, Rhode Island, buddy. Let's do it, man.
Like you can literally, and this is a great example and an opportunity to use the 1348 at the stock level. People ask that question all the time. Can I use it to play stocks? Well, if you have, penny stocks such as this, you can definitely do it. You see, if you don't want to take on the risk of options, because options can in fact bite you in the ass. The fact is that the price of the shares are cheaper than some of the options we play.
Right.
So, might as well, but just be mindful that what goes up must come down.
Right.
This
gets a 1348 across on the 4-hour on the 7th. You get a closing candle above the 200 EMA on the 9th. It comes down, breaks down below this 13, and then goes on an absolute moon mission from 87 cents to 250. So
there you go.
That is, if you're buying 100 shares, which is it's the same, basically the same thing as trading options. If you're buying 100 share blocks of it, I mean, you're spending $87 if you got in there for every 100 shares. That turns into what, 230 every single time? You're good to go.
Good to go. Shout out to Christian. He actually gets it. He's making about 200 a day on stocks, not even options.
There you go, buddy.
Using the 1348. In fact, using the 1348 with stocks, guys, is actually a hell of a lot safer than doing it with options like we do.
A little easier. Yeah, I'd say it's a little bit easier too, and it's kind of more relaxing. It's like you can kind of chill out a little bit.
Oh yeah, you don't want to watch the stock, like you're fine. Just go about your day.
One candle, and it'll just, like my Netflix last Friday, I was up 100%. One candle, quick. No, now I'm only up 10%, and I'm like, God darn it!
It happens. It happens. Like definitely happens. So yeah, we have next week is the big week.
What is it? Oh, Jerome?
Feds.
I think I'm calling 25 basis points. That's my call. That's the expectation. So I think they're going to go with expectations like they usually do.
25 right, so basis points. Do you think the market's already priced that in, that expectation? Okay.
Yeah. I think that's what they're going to do. I think I think 25 basis points is perfectly fine. They're going to let it go.
Yeah. But I'm just wondering, looking at the market, like how low can it go? You know what I mean? Like,
it can get all the way back down to 410 if it really wants to.
Yeah, we saw that. That's acting as support.
Yeah.
Yeah. How low can it go? It's a tease.
It is.
Honestly, I don't care, right? If the market's like, I want to go down on you, I'm like, yes, please.
And you just buy the put. If the market's going to trend down, get the puts. If the market's going to come back up, get some calls. I got to run to the bathroom for a minute. I've been drinking a lot of water. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Don't get me banned.
I'm going to pervert your minds now, guys. Let's pervert your minds. No, we'll keep it a clean house for him. Customary time went from 70 to $1.80 in 5 years. Now, I want you. Let's really talk about that. And let's not talk about that in the sense of dollars. Let's talk about that in the sense of percentages. You made 100% return in 5 years. So let's just really think about that for a second, right? I mean, even with real estate, you do not get that type of return. Now, I'll give you guys you know, I bought a house here in Florida back in 2012, and bought it for about 75,000. And 10 years later, sold it for 210. Right, that was 10 years later. Now, if you put it into perspective, you know what you did or anybody in CTRM at 70 cents could get in, could have made 100% return. Yeah, SGV, we were talking about essentially like CTRM. Somebody brought up CTRM, how like it went from like 70 cents to like $1.80 or whatever in a
Yeah.
matter of 5 years, right? And then I'm just saying, like, if you could go ahead and start looking at things in a form of percentages, like where are you going to get 20-30% gains, let's say in a week or a month? I mean, you're not going to get that in real estate. I think
No,
I think
unless you like do something crazy.
I
Well,
mean,
technically
unless you
you
go ahead
can.
and buy a
Technically you
fixer
can. You can
upper,
get
put
infinite
money into
returns.
it.
Yeah. Technically you can. CTRM is a weird one because it's dry bulk shipping. So though that industry is an underperformer. Like typically it's an underperforming industry. But there was that one little sweet spot where that rate that they could charge was like shooting up. So they were good to go and make a little bit more money, and they did a little bit. But again, look at this on the 1 minute on the SPY, dude. Comes up, tests this 13, rejects, whoop, right back down. Oh, new low. There it goes. I love that. I love those.
Yeah. So, always learning, you could just legit just go into the community gains section. You want to make an educated decision about the 1348. I tell you what, just put the 1348 on your chart now and rock and roll with it for a month. Rock and roll with it for 3-4 days. You will become a believer. Like, we don't want to be in that position to constantly having to sell to you. It's ultimately up to you to make that decision and choose whether to implement the 1348 or not. Right. So it's really that simple.
Hey, SPY, what the hell?
Yeah. Somebody had mentioned, but real estate won't go to zero. Actually, you're right. But to an individual investor, it could possibly. Just think about what a foreclosure or bankruptcy is.
Right.
You see, per individual portfolio, it could essentially go to zero on paper for you as an individual. Let's see. We got 600 Valley of Death. That 1340 is a show.
Don't pay any attention to him. He's our
Oh
shill.
my
He's our
god.
shill. He's our shill.
Oh my god. My god. Give your mom's Wi-Fi back, brother. Jeez.
He's our shill in here. It's like our pet that like it just misbehaves all the time.
Let's see. You can fucking live in real estate. Okay, so no. I mean, I have a primary residence and I have a crap load of other residences that I don't live in. So that's not applicable. Let's see.
I mean,
the SPY.
Yeah, SPY looks like it's just. I mean, that weird candle here was fun for a second, and now it's. I mean, it's still below the box. The MACD's coming down. Where's the RSI on it?
34 on the 5 minute.
STC is signaling sell.
Yeah.
The only thing it doesn't have is a
Ooh.
1348 cross.
Well, man, I love the fact that you're using the trend cycle there,
I
man,
like
because
it.
it really, really helps.
I actually like it more on the 3 minute. The 5 minute can get you out a little. I'm trying to see which time frame I like it on the best to see when I want to get out, but it does work. It's a better MACD.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a slightly better MACD. I like it as extra layer of confirmation because, dude, I mean, we're doing like a four step progressive read on it, right? So, some of the things we're looking at is RSI below 50 on a put. That checks out. MECD crossover, red histogram bars, printing. That checks out. Then we got the STC. That gives you the sell signal. That checks out. Of course, you got the cross, and then you got below 200 EMA or VWAP. Dude, you look at those things, man. It is the most educated decision you would ever make.
Yeah.
Buying and selling a stock is the best. It is incredible. All right, so we got Dash printing with Tesla. Dude,
Tesla, Tesla looked good today too. I didn't get Tesla, but Tesla was probably doing great over here. 1348 cross it over. If this looks like Micron, oh, that's dirty. That is dirty. If you're using it to buy stocks, to use the same 3 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute daily. Yeah, you can use the same indicators if you want to on shares.
Yeah. Yeah, you could definitely use it on stocks. In fact, we're using stock price action to base our decisions.
Right. It's not like we're using
on our options,
like the price chart of options. Like that would be ridiculous if we were doing that. If somebody was out there trying to like put the 1348 on like the options price chart, that would be the craziest thing of all time. You'd get alerts every half a second, just like ding, 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 because the options are going to be so volatile.
Yeah.
There's options crypto, works for all of them. Yep.
Oh, I like Timmy Boy here. He says at RD, puts you read down, calls you read up. Tim's you read progressions.
He's
Tim
learning.
fucking gets it. Tim's getting laid this weekend because he's printing this weekend.
150% on a firm. Thanks, STV. Woo! There you go.
Woo!
That was a good one.
Ooh, 150%. Wow.
Yeah. I was probably right around where I got mine. Because I had a couple contracts and then I sold a couple when they were up 130%. And then I sold the last ones when it was up like 230.
Nice. Wow. Rue, I got some advice, man. Head on over to Walmart, get some knee pads, give it to your wife, and then show her your gains. Watch what happens.
Tim, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that. Oracle moving? Dude, Oracle was moving before. Yeah, Oracle 1348. Whoop, that was a good one. I was looking at it. I just didn't want it. All right, let's see what I was a spy here. What's your biggest gain in terms of percentages? I think it was like 3,000%, I think. I know my Lulu, the Lulu I had one time was 2,500%. I think my AMC calls in June were like 5,000%.
Yeah. My biggest gain was remember where my buddy gave me some money? He was like, I need to buy my daughter a car.
Yeah.
And we played, we had no choice, man. It was like he put so much pressure on me. He gave me his portfolio. I think we made like 4,000% on AMC calls. We literally like turned. Oh my god, it was like
that's 15, insane.
Yeah, man, it was, dude. We were aiming for a Honda Civic, and ended the day with like over $80,000 in a portfolio. I believe we started with like 5 or 6. We started with 5 or 6,000, ended with 80,000. Then ridiculous. What the girl does, fucking brilliant, and I love her. She goes ahead and she takes 15 grand from it, still buys her car, right? Sets money aside from taxes, and then goes ahead and buys AMC long. It was the dopest thing. And she's still in it. Yeah, she'll give me like a bi-weekly update, like, Uncle Gabe, I'm still holding. I'm like, good for you.
There we
It's,
go.
it's fucking dope.
I opened the TradeStation account. You have to pay for options, but the fills are crazy, and you can route to lit exchanges. There you go. $600 to 500K. What? How the hell did you do that? Let's see. Lockheed crossing down. Sounds like we should have been doing AMC calls. Chatty Factory, 1, you're getting a timeout because you're being a fucking idiot today. 2, yes, in order to have big price movements to the upside, you need options on the chain. We've been over this many times. You're not listening. Let's see. Is it time to exit puts on the EV sector? Do we think that half of the day will be bloodbath? I don't know. We'll see. I mean, just look at the 1348. Flip it back and forth on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, and just kind of see what it's going to do. If you're playing Neo, if you got it early enough, you're printing on Neo, so you can always make it free and then just kind of hold it for the rest of the day if you really wanted to.
Yeah. What's my monthly average for cocaine and hookers?
0.
Yeah. Yeah. I gave up that life.
Let's see. Spy dump incoming. I mean, it might. What's the 5 minute MACD saying? Nothing too crazy.
Okay. So Dion Miller, I've seen that name a couple of times. Dion, what's up, man? Okay. So we're looking at these equities. I know, and I know you have STV. Go ahead and look at things and say, like, tell me what you think, right? But shit, the fix. I want you to pull up Walmart and I want you to pull up its ATR. So
you do that on Webull? Does it have it on Webull?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You can pull up ATR on Webull.
What do you want? Any settings you want? Length 14.
No. We're good. I'll actually just cover it here, right? So, basically, Walmart. So Walmart's $142 stock, but its ATR, its average range, meaning what it moves in a day, is $3. $3. When you compare that to something like Tesla, Tesla moves $54.
Yeah.
Right? Obviously a pricier stock, and its average true range moves. So guys, what you essentially want to do is, for equities, if you're thinking about swinging it or playing the 1348, you want to look for equities that have ATRs at least over $2.50, because $3 is a very, very tight range for a $144 stock.
Yeah.
By comparison, if you look at AMD,
What's
if you look at
10?
AMD's, this is wild. AMD's ATR on the daily, guys. And keep in mind, this is a $129 stock at this point, but the ATR is $7. Over $7. That is his range. So that's telling me, like, if I were to choose between a Walmart and an AMD, to play the 1348 or to play options, I'm probably going to play AMD.
Yeah. I played Walmart yesterday. Nice quick gain on it. I mean, people were up hundreds of percent. Sometimes it just runs. That's like sometimes it does run, but AMD over like a long period of time is going to move more, and you'll probably make more on that. TLT is on a moon mission right now. Watch out below on the SPY. This could get gnarly.
Yes. To answer someone's question, AMC's ATR is, if we're looking here, the last average calculated is $1.59. Now let's put that in perspective, right? It's a $15 stock moving 10%. That's wild, right? So when we talk about the stock being manipulated, like the ATR is proof enough. why would a $15 stock move within a 10% range day after day after day? And then, I know this is taboo and people like, Gabe, don't say that. But aside from market makers manipulating AMC, I can't control others, but there are day traders in
Yeah.
this thing and saying, I'm taking those 10% gains all day, every fucking day.
Yeah, the day traders do have a hold of it. The thing people hate the day trader thing. The day traders are just like delta hedging. If it's moving up, it's going to move up more with the day traders piling into it. If it's going to move down, it's going to move down more with the day traders piling into short it. So it just makes the move larger in any direction. It's just like putting it on crack is essentially what it does.
Yeah. Yeah. So I think that confirms the thesis of the manipulation on the stock, right?
Right.
And you can make money on it. And obviously we buy. How do we buy more? But again, just you guys got to look at the ATR of anything you want to play. If someone's pitching you some squeeze play, let's say like BBIG or Prague or something, you say like it's squeezing. Well, first you want to look at the 1348 on the daily, and then you want to see ATR, steadily increasing, right? When you see ATR steadily increasing, that means that it's gaining momentum and more interest and more eyeballs. So
Right.
yeah, squeeze might be inevitable.
Let's see. Rhode Island, how do you play 1348 after the lunchtime drag? Still end of day expiration when later in the day on a Friday, or use an expiration next week? Do you ever hold over the weekend? I'll always trade the daily on it. The closest time to expiration, that's what I like to do, just because if you can go in with a smaller amount of money and the potential gains are larger, but it's also the potential losses.
It's dangerous.
It's dangerous. Exactly. 83,000% gain DS. That's ridiculous. That's crazy. I don't know how you did that, but was it with did you say it was AMC? That's pretty crazy. But yeah, if you traded in late in the day, some brokers like Webull don't let you enter into daily expirations past 2. And if your contracts go in the money, they'll liquidate you at 3:58 Eastern. So those are all Eastern times. TLT still ripping, dude. Watch out below on the SPY. This is gnarly.
Ooh.
Chatty Factory. Careful, buddy. You're getting close to a ban. I don't ban people very often, but you're getting very close. GM went kind of full tilt today. Did it? I mean, it's just kind of barcoding. Everything is red in the market. See, there goes the SPY. The SPY is just flickering. It's getting ready for like a big move, I think, up or down. With TLT running up, though, I think it's more likely that it's coming down.
Yeah. And again, this is an example of what I shared with you, right? Like if if you see it just playing, sorry, let me go ahead and bring up the SPY here. So bring it up with let me look at 5 minute. Do you play the 5 or the 3?
5. I always play the 5. I'll look at it on the 3 sometimes before, but I'll usually just play the 5, and then after I'm in, I switch it to the 1 and the 30 usually.
Gotcha. So yeah, what we see with the SPY is just really, 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 really close to VWAP. I would not touch this thing. I mean, STV, the purpose of the VWAP, right, is just like, so you go ahead and call your broker and you say like, buy me a bazillion shares of, AMC, right? He's going to go ahead and look for the best price below the VWAP. You see,
I've got VWAP way the hell up here on SPY, like 426.36. Where's yours?
Yeah. Well, is that where you got your VWAP right there?
Yeah, my VWAP.
It's well below the VWAP. So you got price action at 424, right?
Yeah.
So that's saying, all right, comparable to the average price, I got a deal on it. You see?
Yeah.
So if you get the masses doing that, you would see price action just shoot to the upside. Whether that short term relief, short-term relief to the upside, or hey, somebody's like, let's pamp it down, let's melt down, You know, like you'll see that.
Oh my dude, there's something going on with bonds right now. Look at this is not normal. This is so abnormal for TLT. Puts coming in heavy on the SPY. Yeah, something's going on. What the hell is TLT doing? That's kind of nutty for TLT to be doing that. Let me see.
Let's see. Oh, that's pretty insane. Is there any market news on it?
No. I don't see anything, but it's really ripping right here. VIX is not moving though. Yeah, it's just something's going on with bonds. SPY is at the January trend line. Interesting. Rivian's coming up. Boom. SV, whenever I did yesterday work, they contacted my lawyer and finally got the process started. There you go, Ryan. Wall Street was just told the rate hike before everyone else. I guess so. There it goes. This thing should not be moving like this. And SPY should not be holding up like this with TLT doing this right here. Bonds. James Bonds.
Oh, man. So, dude, are you on spring break this week?
Next week, I got spring break.
Okay.
And I'll be hanging out with you people all the time.
Ooh. Showing them your ankles, brother.
I hope so. We got to get above 20 for ankle. That's what I'm looking for. It's TLT Ortex. Actually, TLT's Ortex is drunk. Like, it's actually stupid. This right here. It's actually ridiculous. Last time I looked, it was crazy. 20.26% estimated. It was at 40, I think, the last time I looked at it. So low utilization, low cost to borrow, but it's been very, very high in the past. SCB's always always on spring break. He never goes to school. Fair. Here comes the SPY. All right, let's see. Oh, let's see. This is usually when I pop off. Gabe, you good with hopping off now? I'm going to head off, get some lunch.
All right. Yeah, go do that. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming on, dude. You're welcome back anytime.
Yeah. I want to be back.
Any day you want to come on, just let me know.
See, I don't live stream myself, man, because I feel like being alone is fucking boring because all I get are like shills in the comments, right?
Yeah, it happens.
My blood pressure goes up and all that crap. I'm just like, okay, this isn't even a live stream. This is just like a Karen fuckfest, right? It's just like whatever. Yeah, but your crowd is cooler, man. I like your crowd.
They're pretty black sometimes, and well, we do have our typical batch of shills, but that's fun. We like to play with them. So, guys, that's gonna wrap up the stream. If you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the way out, checking out the Discord, learn the stuff for free, and then if you want to hop into the big boy section and premium, you guys are always welcome to come in there with us. Thank you to the mods, all the members, and Gabe for coming on here, and everyone just being positive. Gabe, you got any final words?
Yeah, go print.
There we go. All right, people. I'll see you guys at 1:15. Other than that, peace. Oh, wait, hold on. Tim, all the members get like a free super that shows up every month. Daylight savings time is cutting a section off one end of the blanket and sewing it into the other end. Think you have a longer blanket. Tim, I don't know what you're saying there, but thanks for being a member, buddy. All right, guys, now we're going. Peace.